Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, and sometimes I'm in the studio 12 hours a day. Apologise for being late today. Last night I was up very, very late trying to work on the channel and bring some new features to you, testing it over in China and Korea, and so I got a bit tired this morning, so I'm not my best. However, I think I've managed to learn the new features. Anyway, there you go. Let's get straight into the trades right now. Welcome everybody. This is our position this morning, and if it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here. Into the live chat, and we'll share your comments on the screen. Who is here first? Tizro, hard work will pay out, Martyn. Stay at it. Thank you so much indeed. I really do appreciate that. That's very kind of you, Tizro. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and of course our home is here on YouTube. Fantastic. All right, so last night we had the Lucid earnings, and they beat on earnings, but they missed on revenue. But the earnings per share was up more than expected. So things weren't great, but however, they have massively improved since last quarter. And I thought the market overreacted. Let's have a look at it. This is what happened in the morning, in the just before the event. It went down like 10%. It has recovered a bit. It's gone down a bit more this morning, but at the moment we're down 12%. I am down on my 51 shares I bought last night. Remember, I've already made money on this stock now. This is kind of free money. I'm down 3.5%. I'm not buying any more, but let's see how it recovers throughout the day. If it does at all. Hopefully it will. But I'm looking for a quick trade here. Depending on how it trades, I might keep it. However, but we'll see. But the earnings was interesting. Anyway, here's our position. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. It's Thursday, February the 23rd. And welcome to everybody. And give us a thumbs up. If we get 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. Okay, Thursday, what's the highlights? We've got the initial jobless claims, GDP price index quarter on quarter. Let's go over now to Bloomberg and see if we can catch some of these breaking news stories. Let's have a little look. Here we go.
As things work out and how the lag structure of monetary policy to the economy works out is all key sources of uncertainty. I think for the Fed, my view is that it means they need to see evidence that things are moving in the right direction to be able to back off. We just don't have that evidence at the moment.
Is there anything stimulative about being able to earn money from your cash?
Look, if you looked at it just within that margin, I think you would say yes. The bigger picture is as the Fed tightens monetary policy, we've seen what happens to mortgage rates. We've seen what's happened to the housing market. We see, rising delinquencies on autos. So I don't think raising rates is stimulative. I think that component of it could be, but the bigger picture is certainly that it tightens.
Okay, as we can see, Q4 GDP price index rises at 3.9%, annual rate estimated at 3.5. So there you go. We've still got we've still got the economy too hot still. It's the same story. Nothing's really changed. The Fed aren't really winning at the moment, so prices, the rate hikes are going to stay. No surprise there really this morning. It's continuing. So that is not good news. Good news, but it's not good news for the markets right now. Anyway, hello, good morning, Flutter Edits. Good morning to you. Let's go for all our positions this morning. The S&P is up 0.35. Very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic is up 1.73. Would love to do a BTC pump today. Would love for a BTC pump today. Ali Tizro is here. Fantastic. Not seen you for a few days. How are you, Ali? That's great. If you stick with us for a while, we can talk about your crypto challenge, get some updates. Let me go into the breakfast lounge and in the Discord, open up the broadcast lounge. And let's see who's in the breakfast bar this morning. Remember, you can't come into the show until you've been into the breakfast bar. You know the rules, guys. Let's have a look. What do we have this morning? We have good morning, investors from, oh, look at that nice fried egg and bacon and toast. There you go. That's from Eric B. Good morning, investors. Take it easy. I was telling you about being tired. Flutter Edits, good morning, everyone. And Ed Nevius, fantastic. Good morning to all of you. All right. Let's have a look at my Bitcoin this morning. It looks like Robinhood have changed the colours of the background. It's now more black than purple. There we go. That's a change. But there you go. Bitcoin is down 1.23. I am confused. I got locked out of Discord, I think. I have no idea. What do you mean when you say locked out? What do you mean? You can't be locked out. You mean you can't log in? What do you mean, Mike? I am confused. I got locked out of Discord, I think. Try and log in. Let's see if someone can help. I'm looking at it now. Go into welcome all. I'm not in the member. I'm not. You mean you're not a member? Okay, well, come on in. No, Mike, don't apologise. Please don't apologise, mate. Come into welcome all and I'll upgrade you then. Come into welcome all and I will upgrade you. All right, I'm looking at... you don't ever apologise, mate. All right, come into welcome all. Say hello here. All right, and I'll upgrade you as a member. There you go. MB is typing. Look at that. We fix it in a matter of seconds here. Right, MB. It's me, Mike. Right, so Mike, just confirm in YouTube, is this you? Someone's listening and they could pretend to be you. Mike, is this you on Discord? Just tell me it's you, live in the chat on YouTube. Morning, Andrew Grady. Just in YouTube, just come in and say it's you. And while you're doing that, I will check a few things. It's me, buddy. All right, good. Change nickname. That's the first thing we're going to do. Mike. There we go. Mike 166A. There we go. That's now we know you're the same person. And let's check your roles. Yeah, not a member. There you go, Mike. There you go. Right, Mike. Now come into the breakfast bar, which is members only, and you should be able to come in there now. Let me go into breakfast bar. Mike, you should be able to come in there now, and we should see you. And when Mike comes in, everyone give him a nice warm welcome. There we go. Mike was blocked out, one of our top members. In fact, our top member, literally winner of the best badge, who I'm still working on your prize, by the way. But there we go. This is Mike. He's a winner of the best badge. Congratulations, Mike. And so no trouble at all for you, sir. It's no trouble for anyone, but especially you. Anyway, there you go. Up 0.38. Thank you so much. No worries at all. The S&P. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Rivian is down today 1%. Tesla, I want to buy it at 160. Lucid. I want a small scalp trade today. Down 4.64. I'm down 4.75 on it right now. Last night, it dropped 10%. On the earnings, and just to remind ourselves, it did beat earnings. It's the expectations going forward. It missed on revenue, but it beat on earnings per share. That's a beat on earnings. So anyway, let's keep our eye on it, see what it does today. Apple up today. Amazon up but falling back. Do you have something on your watch list? Do you have something on your watch list recently? Nothing different than usual. Tizro. Dollar General is down this morning. Dollar General is a good one. McDonald's. I'm not looking to buy anything new, though. I haven't got any money at the moment either. But Anyway. We're waiting to see if we can pick up some more J&J, down 5.23. Is anyone short on Mullen? I never short a stock. Some guys here do. It's not my thing. IJ, you are a member, so if you want me to review Mullen for you, I can. We regard Mullen as a scalp stock, as a scam stock. If I'm honest, it trades like that way. We've proved it over and over again that it's a scammy stock. Don't like it at all. It's a bit like Bed Bath and Beyond. Who knows what's going to happen to it? But anyway, let's have a quick look at my overall position. See where we are now. There we go. So we've got my investment overall. Sorry, I'm a bit confused this morning. There we go. I'm up to date 0.36. So 36,000 is where we are on my in brokerage account. On my Roth IRA, we are up all time again. That's good. And I was down yesterday slightly. And as I said before, I've maxed out my 2023, 2 months ahead of schedule. We're already starting the, this was thanks to George Semaine, we're already starting the 23 one, which is great. So that's all good. And as you can see now, up 7,055. So there you go. My overall position is 43. That's my entire value now, 43. So we're doing well. We're still down overall, remember, though. We bought at the top of the bull market. We're still down overall. However, we are up on our Roth IRA overall, but year to date we are up on our brokerage account. Let's see if we can turn it around. Anyway, it's setting a limit order under the current price. Is setting a limit or buy under the current price. Is that shorting a stock? No, Eric B, it's not shorting a stock. That's just trying to buy it for a cheaper price. What shorting a stock is, IJ was laughing. No laughing. Eric B is asking a good question. He's not an options trader like me. Just like me. I'm not an options trader either. I don't even believe in it. But Eric, what it is options, contract trading. Options is when you buy a contract, and a contract is 100 shares of something. You can't do an options trade. You can't short a stock unless you buy a contract. Now, a contract is 100 shares of something. So if a stock is $1, you've got to buy a contract. It doesn't mean to say you've got to spend $100 to buy 100 shares. You buy a contract. So there's a fee for the contract, and basically you are doing a put or a call. If you are doing a put, you're expecting the stock to go down. You're banking on it going down, and if you're doing a call, you're expecting it going up. So you are banking and betting on a future stock price with no obligation to buy it. You're just doing a contract with the option to buy. It's why it's called an options contract, with the option to buy a future price of going up or going down. So if you buy a put, you are betting on the stock going down. You are hoping the stock will go down. Okay? That's what shorting a stock is. So Martin, I think I figured out this whole stock market thing. You figured it out. Have you? You'll let me know then. Options don't really have anything to do with shorting. Shorting stock is selling shares you borrow. Options don't really have anything to do with shorting. What do you mean? Of course they do. You can buy options. You can buy a put, which is betting on it's going down. As I say, I am not an options trader. It's not my field of expertise. It's not what I do. Full disclaimer, it's not me. I don't do options trading. I'm just trying to assist Ed. Shorting stock is selling shares you borrow or do not own and buy them back at a cheaper price to return them to the owner. That's a better explanation. Thank you, 22. Thank you, Martin. I get it. I am staying away from options. Options is not my thing. Shorting stock isn't options trading. It is stock trading. Okay. 22. I wish you could call in to be on the show. I'd like to talk to you. Options trading can be long or short. Yeah, I said that. Options trading can be long or short. Anyway, let's move on. We are up today 0.36. S&P is up 0.35. Virgin Galactic is up 1.9. We're looking for a scalp trade. It won't be a day trade now. It'll be a swing trade. In fact, yeah, it'll be a day trade. It'll be a swing trade, won't it? Lucid is still down. I hope it's not going to lock me out of a stock I didn't really want to be in. But there you go. I couldn't resist it last night when it dropped 10%, knowing that they beaten on earnings. But let's be absolutely clear. They beat on earnings per share, but they missed on revenue. But this is what's regarded as a hit or a miss. And they beat. So you can see the estimation was that they would lose 40 cents a share. And in fact, they lost 28 cents a share. So they beat earnings. There it is. However, they missed on revenue. Okay, their revenue wasn't as expected. Okay, it's a buy right now, a hold, not a sell. But anyway, there you go. I'm holding my position. Let's see if we can trade it today. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. It makes sense. This also explains the short squeeze when they have to buy back the borrowed stock to potentially prevent. Exactly. Think of a short squeeze like a bottle of champagne. Everything gets squeezed and then it all explodes over the top. That's exactly what happens. Short squeezes are great for a stock if you are long on it. Can someone explain to me this? I'm a little bit confused here with my Roth IRA on Robinhood. Can someone explain something to me? This is my Roth IRA. I have had $70.50 of match from Robinhood. $70.50. Remember, I maxed out the 7,000 and now I've just put in $50. So $70.50. So here's my Roth and it says I'm up $6 overall. So there's the 7,050. Where is the $70.50? Can someone explain that to me? Any suggestions? I should have another $70.50. If you look at that, look, I put in $7,050 and all time I am up $6.39, which is great. But where is the match? It was paid straight away and I've checked the literature for Robinhood. I've read the website and it says it's paid straight away. However, if you withdraw within 5 years, they will take back the 1% unless you've got more than $1,000. But I've not sold anything. I've not transferred anything. So surely I should be up another $70. Shouldn't I? Where is it? Anyone got any idea? Can anyone enlighten me? If I can't get a result, I will call into Robinhood today and they can tell me. So you have to buy, how much did you put in the IRA in total? 7,050. Did 2022, 7,000, and I'll show you. Look, 7,000, I maxed it out, 7,000, and 2023, 50. So there you go. There's my 50 match and there's my 70 match. All right. So 7,050. There's my balance, 7,055. And you can see You can see on the screen, all time, I'm up 593, which is the 593 at the end. It's as clear as day. So, where is the $70.50? Does that make sense? I'm like, where is it? Anyway, doesn't make sense. So if anyone could assist me with that, I'd like to know. I'm a little bit confused. I don't understand what is going on. Anyway, is Ali Tizro here? Let's see how many people we got in the show. That's a good question. I'm not sure. Yeah, exactly. Where's my $70? Where's my $70? I mean, I've had it. It says it pays it out straight away. You see it on the screen. It says maybe in stock, maybe in a stock in your Roth. Well, no, because that's a stock balance. That's a stock balance. I don't know. Ali Tizro doesn't know either. See, I've had the payout. It pays straight away. You see it on the screen when I do it. I've read all the literature. It says they pay out straight away, and yet I'm looking at it going, well, I'm $70.50 short on my balance. I'm really confused. It says you can invest it straight away. So obviously I've invested all the money I've got. But there you go. Anyway, let's... no one knows. Maybe it's delayed. Well, it says it straight away. It says it straight away. It shows it on the screen. It's there. Yeah, maybe you've already used it. What do you mean used it? What exactly do you mean when you say used it? Obviously I've spent it on the assets that I've bought. Yeah, of course, that makes sense. But my overall balance says I'm up 589, which is the 589 at the end. So I should be up. It should have some kind of cash statement showing all your cash movements. It does. It says I've paid it. It says I've received it, but I don't see it on my balance. In a stock you already have bought. Yeah? Yeah, but I put in 7,000 of my own money. I put in 7,050 of my own money. So I should have 7,050 plus my gains, obviously, plus the match. So there's $70.50 missing. Anyway, I'm like, well, where's the $70.50? So I've got to call Robinhood and get to the bottom of that, because I'm like looking at it thinking, well, that ain't right. Does it add 1% to your cash balance or to your gains? Oh, that's a good one. 22 saying, does it add the 1% to your balance or your gains? Well, it's regarded as interest. So I'm assuming that could well be you're right. I bet it's added it to my gains. So it's saying I'm up 633. So actually I would have been up less if I hadn't. That makes sense. 22, I think, has the answer. If I take off the $70.50, I would actually be down all time. It's because it's been added to my gains. That makes sense. I will check that. Thank you, 22. I can now call Robinhood and say, have you added it to my gains rather than my balance? So technically, I would be, if they took the match away, I would be down $70, right? Does that make sense, everybody else? Anyway, makes sense. I think it makes sense to me. Anyway, let's see how many people, hang on a minute, how many people are watching this right now. Let's talk about Ali's crypto challenge right now. I think we'd like to do that. Let me bring everything up to date. Okay. Right, I've got an extra tab open here. Let me close that. That was confusing me. Okay, there we go. Good morning, Martin, everyone. Quite complicated. You can call and explain it to them. I think I've got it now, though. Hey, thank you, 22. Hey, real quick. Is space going to fly this week? We don't know. All I know is I'm checking all the time. Speaking to Virgin Galactic. Should show as a cash credit, in my opinion. Should show as a cash credit, in my opinion, says 22. Well, I'm going to call Robinhood now, but I think you're right. I think it's got into my interest. Anyway, let's bring everybody up with a quick commercial break and let's have a quick chat. If Ali Tizro wants to call in, you can. Anyway, I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you are a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor this space. And Ali Tizro is one of our sponsors. And shall we have a quick look at where we are with our Ali Tizro challenge? Let's go over to it now. Let's have a quick look. Ali's one of our sponsors. We have two sponsors, actually. And he's a very active sponsor. This is my portfolio, 1,070. Started at $1,000. We're up slightly. This is our overall position. Most of it is still in our USD, earning 4%. Ali hasn't told me to buy very much at all. So far, we've bought some XRP. We're down slightly. Bitcoin we bought, and we're up. I'm on the $1,000 to $7,000 challenge. Dogecoin is down slightly. Sandbox is up. And the last two are stocks I got for doing a quiz on Coinbase. Anyway, there is my position. And now, if you want to be involved in Ali's 1,000 to 10,000 or 7,000 to $100,000 challenge, here is Ali's server directly. It's a premium service. However, if you want to get a lifetime discount, my members always get the best deals. Remember, here is my invitation to join, and if you join using my as a member, you basically get my membership virtually free. In fact, it'll be half price. It's only a couple of bucks a month anyway. So there's the invitation to join, and here's my Discord server. So let me show you now what you'll see if you go to the server. You will, if as a member, and I'll upgrade you live during the show. You will see at the bottom down here, Ali Tizro's tips. All right, and in here is the lifetime discount, and you can talk to Ali, and he'll tell you what crypto he's buying. He will do charts for you, and so on and so forth. All right. Now then, if you'd like to go directly, and once you are a member of Ali's server, whether you've gone directly or through one of my offers, discounts, lifetime discounts, you will come up to this channel. This is the Tease channel, and I will share with you on the screen our Tease channel. And on here, you get an idea of the sort of thing he does for you. He works out what assets you're going to buy. Because for me, crypto does belong as on my portfolio, but really only 1% to 5%. I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to be like researching it. Well, that's where Ali comes in. He's done the research. He's done the charts. He knows more than I do. At the end of the day, I don't have to be an expert in anything. All I'm an expert in is delivering this show to you and bringing the people together. Ali is my crypto guy. So he will tell me what to buy, when to buy it, and hopefully we'll see my crypto portfolio go from 1,000 to 10,000 live on the show in front of you with my own money. There you go. So go and check that out if you're interested in being part of that. Excellent. Just posted a buy signal on Discord. Can you buy 1.5 Plu? Right. Okay. Should we do it live on the show? Right, so here we go. So you want me to go into here. So we'll use the website. Apparently, it's better to use the website. So let me have a quick look. Ali, this is what you're saying? Right, so buy and sell. You're asking me to buy 1.5 Plu. Is that correct? So buy... So let me buy. I gotta look for it. Yes, I'm in the green room. Okay. PLU. PLU. Let's bring Ali into the show, and he's in the green room. We're making a purchase now. Okay, let me go into the green room 1 second. Bring Ali on the show. Ali, unmute yourself. And Ali, good morning. You're live on the show. How are you this morning?
Morning, Martin. I'm well. Thank you very much. How are you doing?
I am well. It's great to see you. It's been a while. How are things going with you?
Yes, good. Very, very busy. There's a couple of things going on in my life, but I'm here.
I was a bit concerned. You told me you got a few problems. I mean, you might not be able to share on the screen, but you said you had a few problems. I hope is it something you can share with us, or we hope you're okay.
Not something I can share, but I am okay. I'm here. I'm still on the Discord, so I think I will be showing my face a bit more, hopefully.
Okay, well, we send all our love. We appreciate you can't share everything on screen. I understand that. But we hope whatever it is, it gets sorted out, and you've got all the family here supporting you. So send some love, everybody. Ali Tizro's having a hard time. Let's send some love.
Okay, thank you.
Right, Ali, on the screen, can you see it? I'm looking at buying. Is that the right one, Pluton?
Yes, it is the right one, but you might be able to do it through the advanced trade feature. If you go, it's on the web. So if you go on the trade feature on the left and then go on advanced trade, we might be able to get it for less fees.
Oh,
it doesn't work.
Good tip. Right, okay, go into here and now search PLU again, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm spending my money. I'm buying Pluton now. What am I doing now? All right, is this the one here?
Just waiting for it to load. Yeah, that one, if it works. It doesn't work in the UK, but it might work in the US. Yes, that seems to be the one. If you can just buy 1.5.
So
if you can just go market order and then just do a 1.5 blue.
Okay, so go market and go buy PLU. Total, it says US dollars, so how do I change it to?
Can you not click on the amount? You can't change the amount. It should be around 15 US dollars. If you click on the amount, you might be able to type in 1.5 clue.
It's just coming up in USD at the moment.
Okay, we might have to do it.
Amount. Oh, there we go. No, I see now. There we go. Just go into the amount. That's all I needed to do. There we go. 1.5 plu. Is that right? Can you see on the screen? I'm sorry, this must be quite difficult for you.
Yeah, it's just a bit slow. It was 1.5. There we go. Yeah, that's correct. And then the fees are 0.09. Yeah, perfect.
There you go. And does it say where I'm buying it from? I presume it's just going to use...
so this will use USD.
USD. Okay. And just click buy.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Something went wrong.
Uh-oh, something went wrong. Okay.
It is a very, very low market cap coin, so there might be liquidity drop. We might just have to try buy it with the way you were doing it before.
Okay. Uh-oh, something went wrong. So let's go out of here then. So the fee was 0.09, so let's go back to the home page then.
Oh, that's a shame. It's a very, very low market cap. It's 15 or 30 million. 30 million. It's a UK company. The regulations in the UK are much better. I've met the CEO and founder a couple times. And it seems to be a really, really great company. They've got great rewards on their card. So if anyone's looking for a card with 5 to 10% cashback, you can get the Plutus card. It's a registered UK bank. not available for US customers. But if you're in the UK and you want to get 5 to 10% back on every purchase, you can use the Plutus card. But for
Right.
now, we're just investing in the coin.
1.5 PLU. So we're trying it just through the normal way this time. Okay. Using it gives us an option now whether we want to pay with our bank or we want to use USD. Okay. Let me just come out of there a minute. That's what I'm... Yep, okay. Back to here. Bear with me a second. Okay, one-time purchase, review buy. And, oh yeah, it's a lot more expensive, isn't it, this time? It's 1.49. I wonder why it didn't work. I wonder why it didn't work using the advanced. Should we try that again, do you think?
I mean, this coin, we're expecting a sort of 100x on it anyway. So, in the grand scheme of things, when we're buying more off air, we can give it another go. But for now, we can just purchase it. Go ahead with it.
I must admit, I'd like to try and do it the other way.
Up to you. It's
yeah, there's no reason. I don't see a reason why that didn't work. It's odd, isn't it?
Yeah. It might. What was the pairing? Because we do have USD coin and we also do have USDC as well. So, I think it was against USD.
What if I go to simple trade? Try that. Let's have a look now. Buy PLU. So I'm just using the simple trade now. So let's see if this works.
Okay.
Using my cash, preview buy. No, that's the same. It's the same fee, so that didn't work that way. We're just trying a couple of different options to work out the best way of doing it, right?
Yes.
Orders. Advanced. PLU. Here we go. Market. Let's try again. 1.5 total. Yeah, it's a much better fee. It's 0.09. I think the problem might be it's not telling me where the money's coming from. That's the thing I'm concerned with, doing it this way. But let's try it anyway. Buy again. Success. It worked.
Brilliant.
There you go.
That was worth it. That was worth it.
Yeah, that was worth it. That was just saved myself some money there. But anyway. Okay, so now if I go back to my...
Shad's saying that it's not... yeah, I did mention, so Shad, it doesn't work in the UK. Some markets aren't available in the UK, so we will have to buy it through the simple trade. In the UK, we can't advance trade it with USD.
Okay. So top tip, if it doesn't work, try it again. Just like everything in life, right? If it doesn't work once, try it again. Don't just give up. It's very easy to give up, but I was able to get that at a much better deal, much better price, and at the end of the day, that's what I want. So there you go. There's Pluton. I now own a little bit of bit of Pluto, little bit of space. There you go. Very cool. And there you go. And there's the small fee. That's why you're always down a little bit when you first buy it. But thank you, Ali. There we go.
No worries. Thank you again. I thought we'll come on, buy a coin. I mean, all of these coins that we do buy are on Discord, and we won't be doing every single purchase live on the show. We just wanted you guys to have a bit of the action. But yeah, thank you for having me on the show, Martyn. And we hope to have a good green day. I'm hoping Bitcoin can break that 30k barrier soon. Have a little short squeeze before we end up going down lower. And we'll see. We'll take it day by day.
Yeah, absolutely. We had. What do you think about my order last night with with Lucid. It dropped 10%. It beat earnings, missed on revenue, but it did beat earnings. As you can see on the screen, it was a 0.4 expected loss, and it was actually 0.28. So it's a reasonable beat. I thought the market perhaps overreacted with a 10%.
It does seem like the market overreacted. It seems like a good short-term sort of swing trade if it did come back up, but I'm not. The markets right now are so irrational. They are so irrational. The way they're trading, it's really hard to. I mean, you can do some short-term trades, range-bound stocks, but in general, the markets are trading very irrational, and you don't want to be caught on the wrong side.
No.
That's why I was starting to pick up some crypto now, even though I said it's probably going to go lower. You don't want to be. You don't want to just miss it all. So the markets are irrational, and all we can do is dollar cost averaging. So yeah.
Well, Ali, thank you for calling in. Sorry to hear of whatever it is that's troubling you right now. Know the family are all here with you, and I will edit that down shortly and put that out as in the crypto challenge channel. On the playlist, so people can see what I did there. But thank you very much for helping me spend more of my money. Appreciate it.
No worries. Thank you for having me on. Good luck with all your trading.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you very much indeed. Bye. There we go. Ali Tizro calling into the show. Always great to see him. So let me just make a slight intro and outro for that, so I can just do it right now. So here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I've got Ali Tizro in Discord, and he's telling me live on the show about my next purchase for my crypto challenge, $1,000 to $10,000. The links are below if you want to be part of it, and you can be part of our challenge, or even $7,000 to $100,000. The choice is yours. That's a bit rich for me. I can't afford that anyway. This is what we just did, and if you look down on my in fact, I'll need to refresh that one. Let me edit that out. There we go. So I'll do that again. So here is what I just purchased. If you scroll down, we've now got some wonderful Pluton added. So let's go and find out how I did it the best way. And I will tell you right now off the bat, we played around with the way to purchase it, where we saved some money. Top tip, using the advanced purchase, and make sure that you give it a second go if it doesn't work the first time. Anyway, over to the live action. Here we go. That will then go to it. And then we'll come back and we'll say, so there we go. That's how we bought Pluton this morning. As you heard Ali mention, I was expecting it to go 100x. So that's exciting. And as you saw there, I had to do it twice. Didn't work the first time. It's always worth sticking at it. The advanced option on the website is a lot cheaper than using the app or the basic, just the basic buy. So there you go. Until the next video and a next update of our crypto challenge, look below the video in the description if you want to join Ali's server and you want to get the information before, because there'll be times when Ali will post and say, hey, you've got to buy this asset right now, and you want to know. You don't want to wait until a video comes out and you miss it, right? Okay, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I'm going to do, we got 10 minutes to go, and let me do a thumbnail. And this time I want a Pluton. I'm going to do some Pluton. I'll get some Pluton images. So I'm going to clear away the ticker for a minute. There you go. And just clear away my logo for a second. All right. And let's do some Pluton action. Already? Here we go. Yeah! No, oh, hang on. That's not good. Pluton. I'll put some Pluton on my hands like that. There you go. That's where I'll put the Pluton. Whatever Pluton is. Plutonium, I don't know. I'll think of something. Don't forget the bell. I won't forget the bell. Don't you worry about that, Tizro. In fact, do remind me, because, you know, it does happen. Anyway, there we go. We've missed a commercial break. Let's bring everybody up to date with a commercial break. And we've got 8 minutes to go before the bell. Here we go. Bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Here we go. All right. Just add some bags of cash on your hands. There you go. Can get Plu in the UK. It's there available on Coinbase. Great. You can buy it in the UK. We just had that confirmed from Nirmal Palmer. Thank you very much indeed, Nirmal. When are you going to become a member? All right, now then, I just realised we've got some work to do here. We've got a very nice audience. In fact, we had 30 people a second ago. I just run the commercial break, and I think people have forgotten to like the video. Yes, let's do it. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock, and let's go. We need 30 likes or 20 likes in 1 minute. Okay, let's do it right now. Okay, zoom on in. We want 20 likes. So there is 23 watching, 24. I think you're all stuck behind the ads. 24 watching, and let's get 20 likes right above my head here in 30 seconds. Come on, let's do it. 7 minutes to go. Before the bell goes, that's what I meant to say. Uh, 14, 10 seconds to go. Come on, everybody, what's going on? Smash the like button. We've got 14 likes, not too bad, on the way up. Very quiet today. Very quiet today. Never mind. 15 likes, moving up slowly. There we go. Right. Drop kick that like button. Drop kick it. Right, the overall portfolio is looking good. Good morning. Smashed it, says Ed Nevius. Thank you. Just add some bags of cash to your hands. That sounds good, doesn't it? Good idea, Ed. Shad, I like it. I like it. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Nirmal Palmer wouldn't let me get it as an advanced trade. Either has to use simple trade or, as I did, converted my USD to plutonium. Plutonium. It's not plutonium, is it? Anyway, that's odd. Although I've not tried to buy some. I may try to get some later on. There you go. So, in fact, I'm going to add this. I'm going to add that, actually. I've just got an idea to add to... we've got 5 minutes to go. I've got time. There we go. I'm going to go back over to here. Let me see if I can bring Pluton. I've got to stop saying that. I can't keep saying plutonium, can I? I mean, I really can't. Right, okay. So, let's have a little look here. Let's do this. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Through Ali Tizro's challenge, our $1,000 to $10,000 or $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. We're on the $1,000 to $7,000 challenge. He just came on live on the show. If you want to go and check out that video, click above my head. And he said, buy some Pluton. He's met the CEO of Pluton. Here it is. We bought some, and we are expecting a 100x. We like the sound of that. So there we go. I don't have to consider my crypto purchases. I have a team of people around me, and my crypto expert is Ali Tizro. So if you want to go and check it out, he does have a Discord server where he will share with you all his trades before he makes them. It is a premium service. However, if you click becoming a member of mine and look below the video, you will find his Discord server, and you'll also find my Discord server. If you come through me and you're a member of mine, you get a lifetime discount. But anyway, there's the news right now. Pluton is our buy this morning. We're expecting a 100x on it. We bought some. We're very excited about it. We used advanced trade on Coinbase, so we got it for the minimum cost. We tried it the first time. It didn't work. The second time it did. It was much better than doing it through the app. So do a bit of research. Don't just accept it and go, it doesn't matter. Make sure that you get the best deal. All right. Ali's got more money than me. He said, just buy it. It's going to 100x anyway. And I went, no, I want to try and save myself $1. And I did. I did it on the advance. It took a couple of goes, but I got there in the end. Anyway, go and check it out. Pluton. It's our new purchase here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, we've got 3 minutes to go. Let me quickly clear that away and go over here. Look at this. Pluton. I can do a little bit of graphics on it. There's Pluton. All right. Are we human? I love that song. Are we human? Or are we dancer? I love that song. I don't know what it is about that song. Rolls Royce up 22%. Oh, that is great news. I'm out of the stock though, so don't tell me that now. But anyway, great news indeed for Rolls Royce. We're up 0.66. We've got 2 minutes to go. We've got chance to quickly have a quick look. Let's have a look. Rolls Royce. We've been waiting for that for a long time, and I'm out of it, so I'm not getting any benefit at all. That was the days when I had margin up to my eyeballs. Let's have a little look. Rolls Royce. Let's have a look. Thank you very much for breaking news. IJ, yay, big money, no whammies. Big pop coming in Mullen, says IJ. Let's look at Rolls Royce. There it is. Okay. I've got 1 minute. I'll quickly make this one as well. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've been waiting ages for this. Well, I kind of was, and then I wasn't. I sold my position. Rolls Royce has popped up today, 20.6%. This has been down bar coding for the longest of times. A penny stock, if there ever was one. 80 cents, 60 cents, awful. Now it's up 20%. Breaking news. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I did that really quick because it is the timer. I said I wouldn't miss it. You thought I was going to miss it, didn't you? One of you was. I bet one of you was thinking he's going to miss it. He's going to miss the flipping bell. I come here for the bell. I want to see the bell. I want my money back. We've got 19 likes, 31 watching. Please smash the like button. It helps the channel out enormously. Please smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Help us out. We've got 30 seconds to go. Brickmark, Shad, always the way. Good luck, everyone. Sold all mine a couple of weeks ago. I gave up. I thought, forget it. But there you go. All right, the bell's about to go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell has now gone. We want to, and we're dropping at the moment. Oh, it's back up again. We want to see if we can sell Lucid today. Breaking news: Coinbase building own chain called Base. Hey, breaking news. Ali Tizro, thank you for that. Ali Tizro, I will do that as well. Hang on a minute. So, there we go. Okay, let me go over to it now. Hi, Martin. What's the best way to avoid a liquidity grab and not to get stopped out when placing your stop loss? I'll come back to that question in a second. We're right on the bell. We're just checking everything. Rolls Royce up 19%. S&P is up 0.69. Virgin Galactic up 1.55. Let's have a quick look here. Ali Tizro, I need to put that in. Ali called in. Plus Plu and Coin. Okay. Breaking news: Coinbase building own chain. All right. Rivian, Tesla. We want to buy it at 160. Lucid. Let's see what it does today. So can we set a scalp trade on it? It'll be a swing trade now. Second day, but anyway, let's make this quickly. This will go out later on as well. Thank you, Ali, for this breaking news. Ali, can you send me more information on that? Give me a couple of headlines, please. You're the expert on crypto. Give me a couple of headlines to do with Coinbase that I can read. Just do a couple of comments, and I can use them on the screen. Okay? You're the one who knows all about Coinbase, so give me that information, please. Yes, give me a couple of minutes. Okay. All right, Lucid. Lucid, we're trying to trade it. Apple, Amazon. Amazon's going down. Let's check my overall portfolio. Let's see how we're doing. I'm up 0.47 at the moment. McDonald's is down. Want to buy McDonald's if we get a chance. Coca-Cola. Not cheap enough. J&J 0.33. Still going down. It was earnings today for Coinbase. Okay, you're sending me in a link. Excellent stuff. Copy. Let me bring that over here. That link you sent me doesn't go anywhere. It says, beg your pardon, introducing base. Yes, it is. There we go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can't find the page we're looking for. What's going on? There we go. I got it to work. I'm going to bring in these comments. Start building on the base testnet today and stay tuned for the upcoming mainnet launch. Big features, small fees, open source. Okay, thank you, Ali. Got all that. We're getting a big drop in J&J this morning. My most defensive stock. Giving up at the moment. It's bringing my portfolio down. No question about it. Google, Microsoft is up. Walmart is going down 0.61. We want to get Walmart again if we can. Get around 120. That's where I want to get back in again. Let me check my Lucid for a scalp trade. It'd be a swing trade now, but just want to make some money from it if I can. All right. Let's have a look at this. Thank you, Ali, for sending this in. Okay. Okay, here we go. I better mark this clock. This is... What time is this? 58. 58 mins coin. All crypto coin pumping. Let's have a little look. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down at the minute. All crypto coin is pumping. 1.54. Okay. I like this new version of Robinhood, giving us it in black. Kind of like it more. It suits the show better rather than that purple colour. But anyway. Our overall portfolio is still up. We're losing at the moment on Rolls-Royce. It's coming back. Don't chase a pump. That's golden rule. The S&P is up. Remember, that's only 50% of my portfolio. So when that's up, my overall portfolio is up. Virgin Orbit, it's improving slightly. Rivian is still going down. Tesla, we want to buy at 160. And not good sign yet for Lucid. Nothing happening yet. I'm not going to buy more. I'm down 6%. I don't want to load up on this. I just want to have a small amount of money in it. So if it does go lower, I'm not just keep buying and buying. I only do that with stocks I really feel confident with. McDonald's is getting better. Coca-Cola, J&J's, there we go, come back up again. New all-time low there, J&J. So a chance to lower your averages today. Eric B, what have you done? Gove is 5% down. Let's have a quick look at it. Canoe, yep. I don't know if I can touch it now. Now it's to me it's too cheap. I don't want to buy stuff that goes too cheap, right? J&J. Right, let's go over to this breaking news then. So let's go and do this now. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Just news in just a few minutes ago. Coinbase introduces Base. Let's have a quick look at it. This is my Coinbase account. I've got my crypto challenge here from Ali Tizro, $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. This is my crypto position. Let's have a look though. What is Base? Introducing Base from Coinbase. Let's have a look at it. This has just been sent in. Now, full disclosure, guys, I'm not a crypto guy. I don't need to be. I have people around me who send me the information I need for crypto. Introducing Base. Base is a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly Ethereum L2 built to bring the next billion users to Web3. Start building on the Base testnet today and stay tuned for the upcoming mainnet launch. This is just broken now. This is the news. Today we are excited to announce the testnet launch of Base, an Ethereum Layer 2 L2 network offering a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly way for anyone, anywhere to build decentralized apps or dApps on-chain. Our goal with Base is to make on-chain the next online and onboard 1 billion plus users into the crypto economy. In pursuit of this goal, Base will serve as both a home for Coinbase's on-chain products and an open ecosystem where anyone can build. We're incubating Base inside of Coinbase, leveraging the last decade of our experience building crypto products and plan to progressively decentralize the chain over time. We have no plans to issue a new network token. Okay, so that's the information we have got just come in. I'm going to share with you some comments here from Ali, who is our crypto guy. Let me share that on the screen right now as we get excited talking about this. We've got here, start building on the Base testnet today and stay tuned for the upcoming mainnet launch. Big features, small fees. These are the comments coming in from Ali. It's open source, good to know. And what else have we got here? Base is a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly Ethereum L2 built to bring the next billion users to the web. There you go. So what do you think of this? It's new information just come out to us. This is my portfolio here on Coinbase. So I just wanted to bring that news to you that this is just out. Base, what do you think? I believe that crypto belongs 1 to 5% of my portfolio. I'm not an expert on it. I don't need to be. I've got people around me that will give me the information I need. I'm here to bring a community together here on YouTube. So there we go. On the day that Coinbase brought out Base, leave your thoughts and comments below. Do you like it? Are you going to get back into crypto? Are you not in crypto right now? Do you think it's the future, or do you think the whole thing is going to zero? What do you think? If you want more information on our crypto challenge, look below the video. We've got our Discord servers and links to that service. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let me get rid of that and just a little one of these. Okay. There we go. Back to the main comments. Back to the main position. Thank you, Ali, for sending all that in. Right, I'm 1,070. So we're looking all right at the moment on my crypto challenge. We're up from the $1,000 anyway. Good to see. Right, we've got 41 watching live right now. Fantastic. If we can get 100 likes during the show, we've got 19 likes right now. I will give away a cash prize. Remember, it's cash prize giveaway every Friday tomorrow, but I also do it every day if we hit 100 likes. So if it is your first time here, please do subscribe and ring the bell. Let me show you on the screen now how many likes we have. And if we can get 100 likes by the end of the show, we will give away a cash prize, as we always do. All right, here we go. Let's bring it on the screen right now. Here we go. There is 41 watching, so 43. We should be able to get, 40 likes? There you go. There's the likes, 23. Everyone smash the like button. It helps my channel grow. It really makes a difference. And I also give you a cash prize if we get 100 as well. So there you go. 22. We should get at least a 30. 23. It's going up. Thank you so much indeed. We've got 20 seconds to go. If we can get 100 likes by the end of the show, which is in about half an hour, we will be able to give a cash prize away live on the show. All right. 23, 24. There we go. 20. We got to 24 in the end. Let me change that around because that did change my camera angle. Put that back. There you go. Awesome. We got to 24. That's a bit better. Let me go back to the main screen again. Now we've got a new service. I don't know if you noticed last night, but we're trying to grow the channel to a global audience. I mean, we have a global audience, but I'm trying to grow it even more. So basically what we're doing, you will see when I'm off air, these are the live shows, okay? We have the videos, the live shows. There are also live streams that are replays. Unlike other YouTubers who just stream live and pretend it's live, I don't want to do that. Our channel has to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. That's what we live on, okay? It's very, very important. I have now the opportunity to stream 24 hours a day to do replays. So what I'm going to do is on the screen, it will say replay. So if you see it's live, but the thumbnail and the title has the word replay in it, you will know it is live. And the purpose of it being live is, one, it'll reach an audience that right now are asleep, which is good. I can reach a global audience. On top of that, it gives you, the members, the opportunity to chat live with each other. Even though you're watching a replay of the opening bell or the closing bell or an earnings and so on and so forth, it will give you the opportunity to chat live with each other in the chat. So that's the purpose of it. Fundamentally, it's another benefit and perk to my members. So it will give you the chance to keep in touch with each other. Let's say, for example, something happens and Ali wants to communicate live in the chat, or anybody wants to let me know about a stock that's crashing or some news. You can share that in the news in the live chat. Even though it'll be a replay, it'll be live. It's like watching a film on TV. It's being streamed, but obviously the film isn't live. It was recorded 20 years ago or whatever. It'll be like that, but it'll give you the chance to communicate live with each other. So that's a new feature we're bringing to you now. We've already done one. Last night was our first successful stream. We had a test stream the first day, and Eric B was helping me out, and Stephen Lewandowski. It's like watching the +1 channels. Exactly. It's like watching the +1 channels. Exactly. This show later on will go out for my Chinese, my Korean, my Australian, my whatever audience. Of course, they're getting it behind, but it's still a live stream. But you guys might want to wake up at 3 a.m. when you're having a nightmare and think, I think I'll go into the live chat and say hello. And you can do that, right? Okay. Okay, now then, I've got another little extra bonus today. I'm going to share with everybody as well. Robinhood, as you know, I have the gold plan. I pay $5 a month to give me extra benefits and perks. I like it. It's very useful. It's worth $5. It gives me a higher interest. It gives me many perks. It's worth the $5. So they are doing a promotion right now, and basically they will give me $20 if anyone signs up for gold. So you know what I'm going to say. If anyone signs up using my link, which I'm going to give you now, I will give you back $10 live on the show via Cash App or PayPal or whatever. I will give you $10 back. So if you want to get gold anyway, you think, well, I was going to get it anyway, and you want $10 for free from me, paid live in the show, you can have it. You can have it. So I'm going to give you the, going to give it you now. Okay. I'm going to give it to you now. All right, here it is. There's the link. You get higher interest payments on your money, on your cash. Is it 4.25%? Way more than you get in the bank. And you get $10 from me. To be honest, I would rather know what's happening to the markets live. I agree, Shad. I agree. But, you know, that's what the live shows are for. But some people now who are asleep, who can't watch what's going on, might want to watch the show and be part of the community later on when they're awake. That's the purpose of it. Some of the stuff won't be the live streams, will be actual videos. Let's say, for example, the news about Coinbase this morning. I can actually restream live that video as well. So I can actually upload a video as well. It doesn't have to be just a restream. It can be an actual video as well. Anyway, so there you go. J&J is coming back up again. I had a nice little opportunity this morning. Lucid, I would like to make some money from. I'm hungry to sell it. I don't like it going down here. Now, you might say, well, if you bought it, why wouldn't you then double up your position and buy it down here? Because it was designed to be a scalp trade. It wasn't designed to be sucked in to buy more and more at lower prices. It's not a J&J. It's not a dividend. It's not reliable. It could go bankrupt. It's got a year's money left in the bank to run it. I do get it. People watch the live streams for different reasons. Exactly. Ed Nevius, GGAA Holt. Okay. Overall portfolio is up. We've got day trader of the day, which we'll do in a second as well. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. We've got a bit of a TikTok challenge going on. If you click the star here and become a subscriber, I will make a promotional video for you at the end of the show. I will record a video and I will introduce you to my 2,500 followers, I think it is. Or is it 31.5? Can never remember. Anyway, it gets you more followers. If you become a top gifter as well, I will also follow you back and tag you in a viral post. Okay. Overall portfolio is 36. Rolls-Royce. Fantastic news today, this, isn't it? Look at that. We've been literally going sideways forever. Forever. Look at that. What a great day for Rolls-Royce. Have a quick look at base.org. Thank you very much indeed, Ali. I'll do that now. Why they? Oh, it's a kind of funny website, isn't it? Look at this. This is the new base website. What's with the little funny color at the side there? That's interesting, isn't it? They're blurring something out, or what's all that about? There we go. This is the website. I can't really do it now, Ali. I want to move on from crypto right now, but I'll take a look later. Let me see right now who's with me. Let's see if we grew this morning on the channel. We've had, how many have we got now? 150 through the stream, so we're nearly up to our 200 mark. 6528. Oh, we lost 2 subscribers this morning. There we go. That happens sometimes. Don't ever be despondent if you're a YouTuber and you lose subscribers. It's all part of it. Sometimes accounts get dead, closed down, fraudulent. It happens all the time. And some of the big YouTubers wake up in the morning and they lost 1,000 subscribers. Doesn't mean they've done anything wrong. It's just the way it goes. Coinbase earnings, does it show on the Robinhood feature? Yes, it will do. I can bring up Coinbase. There we go. Coin. Happily do that. Let's have a look at it. Here we go. Coinbase is up 1.81, and their earnings, they were expected to lose $2.39. They're losing $2.46, so they missed on earnings. They missed on earnings. Not good. So the expectation, the darker green will be right behind there because it's such a small amount. They've missed on earnings, but there you go. Any space news today, says Dan Williams. Nothing to report today. No. Let me go now to our tracker and let's have a look as you've mentioned it to me. Let's have a little look. We've got a plane flying right past the it's just a, what is it? No, it's a UPS flight. A UPS flight going right past Mojave Desert Virgin Galactic Spaceport. But no, nothing at the moment. Nothing on the hangar. Nothing coming out of the... Thank you very much indeed, Wrecking 1976, just subscribed. Appreciate that indeed. But yeah, no news today. Nothing to report, I'm afraid. This is the week we were expecting to fly again. We thought possibly yesterday there was a flight. Did you see yesterday's video? It looked like perhaps there was the... what's the word I'm looking for? The Italian Air Force, because there was a flight testing 3,800 feet, and it was going round and round the desert, round and round the spaceport yesterday. And apparently you can actually hide your identity. We didn't know that, but I suggested perhaps, is it the Italian Air Force? Because they are next on the agenda. And it was definitely going around and around the airport, very low. But it wasn't identified, so I'm assuming that could be the Italian Air Force. I don't know. We don't know the answer to that, but that's all we know, which is not a lot. Coinbase earnings. Hi, says Wrecking 1976. We've got a new guest who's just come in. Subscribe to our channel. Welcome to you. Thank you very much indeed. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. This is my TV studio behind me. How you doing? And we have live music in the evening. We aim to be the most real, honest, genuine channel on YouTube. This is my real money. I go live up to 10 hours a day with my real money. I'm in the studio 12 hours a day, I'll tell you now. And this is my full-time job. I'm here all the time, sharing everything with you. My journey from $5,000 to $200,000 live on the show. And... would you please put your city and country in and let us know where you're from? I'm here in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall in England. If you'd like to become a member, you'll notice we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. 95% of our members, of our live viewers are members. We have cash giveaways every day. We have fundraisers for our members. My members get their own videos. I review stocks. I'll even buy stocks with super chats. We celebrate your birthdays. We do fundraisers for you. I answer all your questions. I I go to work for you as a member. It's only a couple of bucks a month if you are a bronze member. And we have our crypto challenge as well. And we have a great team on Discord that will help you chat live 24 hours a day, share with you their real trades. No one is allowed on my server who's there just to promote themselves. We are all here to help everybody. Private is from Lund in Sweden. There you go, you're getting some welcomes in from everybody. So hopefully Wrecking 1976 will come back in a minute and let us all know where he or she is from. Okay, Virgin Orbit up 0.69. Lucid is our trade. We're trying to get this trade here. At the moment, we're still out of the money. England, I am new to the stock market. Well, I've only been doing it in a year and a half. When we started this channel, started with $5,000. Let me share with you everything. This is my real money, my real trades. There you go. I've got $36,000 now in my brokerage account. I have only $1,500 in my checking account, which is my bank account. My $1,500 in my savings account. That is it. Everything else is here. But remember, I have no mortgage, no car loan. This is all the money I have in the world. Plus, I have my Roth IRA, which we just started in December. And I'm proud to announce that I was able to max it out in the first couple of months. So I'm really excited about that. I've now started 2023. So there's my Roth position, as you can see there. So that's collectively what I've got. So if I show you now my overall balance, this is all the money I have in the world. Plus, as I say, my day-to-day $1,500 checking account. 43,209. That's what I'm worth. I'm trying to get to 100,000 by the end of this year. Okay. There you go. Now then, we got some comments. Weather at Mojave Spaceport is looking like a good potential flight window if it was to happen today between now and 1 p.m. Thank you, Nirmal. We are watching. Nothing happening at the moment. My name is Rob from Derbyshire. Lovely. We got a Rob from Rob McLean from Scotland. Just trying to put a little cash in each week. Fingers crossed. Well, that's how I started a year and a half ago. And now we've got the highest engagement rate channel on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers are members. Ask anyone and they will tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. I'm here up to 10 hours a day for you. And there's lots of members exclusive content. If you want to talk to our members and ask them what they're investing in and trading in, no one is allowed to pump or promote anything. We are just sharing what we are doing with our real money. We want to be the most honest channel on YouTube. There is the Discord. If you go into Discord, I will welcome you in. And anyway, every single night as well, we have our world premiere. I'm the world piano man, and every single night we have a world premiere, and we're doing a series of videos at the moment to raise money for those in Turkey and Syria for the earthquakes. You don't have to donate. People have already donated. We raised $250 for the Red Cross, but now what we're doing, we are showing each song from that concert every night as its own video, and all you got to do is watch it and share it, and others will be able to donate just by you watching it. Thank you very much, Leah. There's my coffee. How do I become a member? Oh, Dan Williams wants to become a member. Under the videos is the membership, but here is the invitation to join. Let me give it to you. We have bronze, silver, and gold. And investor level as well, and sponsorship level, but the cheapest is bronze. There is the link. If you become a member during the live show, Dan, we can upgrade you on Discord and we can give you all the benefits. Don't forget your birthday as well. We celebrate that for you. Lucid, we're trying to get out of Lucid. No, I'm just going to tonight's premiere to give you the link. Where is it? Premieres, March. Premieres 23rd. Today we go. Part 9. Part 9 is tonight. Okay, I'm going to give you the link for tonight's premiere. Hopefully you'll all join me as we all get together at the closing bell for some music. Last night we wasn't able to talk about it. We jumped straight in, didn't we, into the earnings for Lucid. So we missed last night's premiere. Some of you might have missed it. So hopefully you'll go back and look at the playlist. But anyway, here is tonight's world premiere. Picking the little man up from school currently, so I will join up. Thank you, Dan. Don't forget, your birthday is for you and the whole family. So your little man, okay, when it's his birthday, get him in front of the TV the day before, the day of, or the day after, and we will celebrate their birthday. Neptunian recently bought Virgin Orbit. Good idea. I like that. There's the world premiere for tonight. Okay, click on it and you can be there tonight and join us. Hopefully our new guest tonight might check it out. Here's part 9. People have already started liking the video. Thank you very much indeed. Got 5 likes. Tonight's song is You're Beautiful by James Blunt. That's tonight's song. And remember, the links to the fundraiser for the Red Cross is below the video. You don't have to donate. All my members already have. It's just about watching the video and sharing it so others will get to learn about our fundraiser. Look at Chenery Energy, Max H. Thank you so much indeed. Give me a minute. You are a member, so I can have a look at it for you. Martin, who is the best suitable for my question? How do you avoid a liquidity grab to not get stopped out when placing your stop loss? Strategy for that. I don't know. Who could best answer that question? Private has asked a question. Who's best suitable to answer this question? How do you avoid a liquidity grab to not get stopped out when placing your stop loss? When I set a stop loss, I've already decided that I want to sell the stock. Are you talking about a trailing stop loss or just a set price? Because it will always close at your position that you set. Stick your stop loss below a support level is all you can do, really. There we go, 22. Thank you very much indeed for that support. Okay, this is what I found out through my information in the middle of March. They do their first customer flight. Project Freedom. I can't verify this information. He's not a member, remember. I can't verify members that aren't. I can't verify comments that are not members. So thank you, Project Freedom. However, I can't verify what people say if they're not members, because remember, we do get scammers, we do get bots, we do get someone who knows nothing about anything saying whatever they want. We only will post if it's a member, of course, but everyone has the right to share their views. We just can't verify that information. That's all I'm saying. In my opinion, trading stop in profit depending on your trade plan and risk management. Thank you, Ed Nevius. There you go. You're getting all the support now from the team. Good stuff. S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is going down. 39% up now. Wouldn't mind buying some more. Not a lot more, though. Virgin Orbit is flat today. Ali Tizro just sent in a comment. Do trades with really tight stop loss. Liquidity grab will go well below this, and you could always get back into your trade. Right. Thank you very much indeed. Chenery, please. You're very welcome. Max H. Let me have a look for you. CHENIR. This is a perk for members. Are you looking at LNG or CQP? Which one? I'm assuming this one. There's 2 Chenery Energies. Up 9% today. Congratulations. Is this the one you're interested in? If you are a member, I will ING. You mean LNG? Yeah, I mean, so this one then, okay? Okay. If you are a member and you want me to review a stock, I can. Why is that all gone funny? That's a bit weird. What's going on there? Just bear with me a second. Why is that all odd? Oh, there you go. I was thinking, why has that moved? Sorry about that. Told everyone, if you all want more, I'll give. We'd love it. We'd love your... if you are a silver member, Max H, you can have your own channel, like Ed Nevius does his tips every morning. It's very, very popular on the channel, on the Discord channel. If you're a silver member, you can have your own channel and all your top tips and stuff like that. But yes, you did say about this one. Congratulations. Doing very well. This is Chenair or Chenair Energy. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but there you go. Up 9.29% today. Thank you very much indeed for sharing that information with us today. Everything that I told you about Virgin Galactic in the past and up to date has been true. Even the people that's doing their advertisement, even the travel agency. Yeah, that may be, I'm not paying you no money to be inside your clique. Well, that's a bit offensive, isn't it? That's not very nice, is it? Project Freedom. As we've said before, you don't have to be a member, but please don't be rude about it. We are here to help people every day. Yeah, you didn't spell it right either. But please don't be rude. I mean, the live shows only exist because of the members. We wouldn't be here. You watch this show wouldn't exist. We can only be here because of our members. We go live up to 10 hours a day. If I wanted to be just making money and thinking of myself, I would just make videos and go live half an hour a day. But I go live to bring a community together so we can grow the most honest, real channel in the world. That's the point. That's the point. And if it wasn't for the members, I wouldn't be here. So please don't say I'm not paying to be part of your clique. I mean, and not only that, I go to work for my members and give 20 times back what they get. We raise money for people. We support people. We celebrate their birthdays. I reply to everyone's questions. I make videos for people for a couple of bucks a month. I mean, that's it's a bit rude to say that anyway. Anyway, that's fine. You are entitled to your opinion. Coca-Cola is going back up now. J&J, there we go. What a bounce today. What a turnaround. 0.5% down, nearly 0.5% up. A 1% swing on J&J is a lot. Maple Leaf, thought that was funny. From where are you from, Maple Leaf? I think we got a new guest here today. Anyway. Google, down 0.67. Microsoft. Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy, still down 3%. Ed Nevius, Ocean Live, and the call was at 774. Take a peek. Ocean Live and the call was at 774. Go and have a look, guys. Ed Nevius' tips this morning. Enphase Energy, I'm down 10%. It's just turned green. Bitcoin is down 2% today. Tilray Brands is down 1.37. I'm right where I started from now. It's given up all its money. In fact, I'm up $1.12. So if you wanted to buy more, now is the opportunity. Tilray Brands has gone back right down where we started. I don't want to buy any more. This stock hasn't done well, and it won't do well until it gets full legalization, legislation passed. So I'm not going to jump all over it. I'm enough in it. Robinhood is down 0.6. I'm out of the money in Robinhood as well. We've got a lot of stocks that I want to add to down today. SoFi is down. IonQ is down 2%. They overestimated, saying that interest rates are coming down. Tesla falling. Yep, I want to buy Tesla at 160. Thank you for that, Eric. We've seen it fall back over the last 24 hours. I think it's going to go to 160, but we shall see. That's where I want to buy it. SPCE is now down 2.76. Okay, I think it's time for day trader of the day. Okay, time for day trader of the day right now. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you are a sponsor, you can be in this space and go across to all my platforms, up to 20 platforms a day live. Welcome to all of you. Thank you very much indeed. And let's have a quick look before we do day trade of the day. How many came through our stream? 179, so we're nearly up to our 200. 6,527. We gained one back again. Thank you very much indeed. And how many likes have we got now? 31 likes. If we get 100 likes, I do a cash giveaway. I've just realized that my countdown has gone. 1 year. Oh, I know why. I know why. I'll have to put it back in again. Never mind. Our countdown to 1 million views by the summer. And we're looking forward to getting to 10,000 subscribers so we can do our fundraisers for our members. We're very much looking forward to that. Vanguard up 0.54. GGA live again. Ed Nevius, thank you. S&P. So we're holding up at the moment. I'm going to call Robinhood and find out about that situation with the money they give you, the match, and get to the bottom of all that. Anyway, I think it's time to do day trader of the day. So get ready. We'll do that now. Just checking something a moment. Halt 5, move total, move 8, says Ed Nevius. Right, I'm going to have to get off because I've got to go and visit the bank today. Few issues with my bank. Not doing a bill pay. Not very happy about it. Not very happy about it at all. I set up a bill pay after I got COVID, and I got a little bit of a scare thinking, what would happen to me if I was ill and I wasn't able to, pay my bills, because I do them manually, right? So I decided to set up bill pay, auto pay, and it never went through. And I'm unhappy because I've never missed a credit card payment in my entire life. So I'm really unhappy about it. And it was their technology that didn't work. Anyway, let's do day trader of the day. Virgin Galactic's getting cheaper. Ocean, fifth halt. Wow. Ed Nevius, fifth halt now. Should we have a quick look at it? OCEA, Ocean Biomedical, Ed Nevis loves these pharmaceutical stocks. Look at this. Look at this, up 183% today. I nearly always miss out on these tips. There's no way I can really do them when I'm trying to put the show together. You guys can. Another wonderful benefit to being a member of our channel, you get to see Ed Nevis's tips. Of course, Project Freedom won't like this because you have to be a member and he thinks the whole thing is a click. So there you go. Project Freedom. The show only exists because you're doing what you're doing because you cannot keep a regular job like the rest of us. Okay. Well, I will tell you now, Project Freedom. I left home at 16 and I've been an entertainer since I was 16 till I'm 50 until now, 53 years of age. I have never been on the dole. I've never had any money from anyone. I've always supported myself. I've had a successful business my entire life. I've self-employed myself my entire life in the same job. How many people can say that? That is very, very rude of you. And I think you're being really offensive. And I don't like people coming on being rude. We got no time for people being rude. I have employed myself and others. I had about 30 staff when I had one night in Vegas. So I've employed myself and others my entire life. Never been unemployed. Never been on the dole. Always been able to support myself. How rude are you? I always respond to people. But they just bury themselves because they make enemies with everybody. They surround themselves with negativity. And in a minute, I'm just going to time him out anyway because I think it's rude. I don't understand why people fill their lives with rudeness and horribleness. You achieve nothing. What a rude thing to say. Incredible. So if we get one more negative comment, because one of my, I don't see many moderators here today, actually. I will just time him out, actually, if he does it again. And whatever. I always respond. You guys, we did a poll on it before, and you said why this channel works is because we always respond and talk to people, and we give them a chance to be nice, but if they want to be rude, eventually we just bury them. Great stream, thanks. We'll check it in again. I will stay subscribed, trying to save cost to save just as a viewer, if that's okay. Of course it's okay. You don't have to pay to be a member. Of course. Better to follow your dreams, to make something of yourself, get to where working 9-to-5 dead-end job. Thank you, Craig. Appreciate that very much indeed. The funny thing is, Project Freedom watches nearly every day. He obviously thinks I'm an idiot. The other day, he actually commented on YouTube, one of my comments. He did a comment, and he said, has anyone ever told you talk too much? And I said, well, I could stop talking and then the show would go silent. He probably thinks that's a good idea. Well, then don't watch then, you flipping idiot. I mean, there you go. Some people are idiots. Oh, here we go. What do you say now? I'm actually listing to work forward for what you're saying, and it sounds like you ran away when you were 16 to start your own life instead of following the rules of the house. Okay. All right. I think, yeah. Thank you, Leah. Just deleted it. We've obviously realised Project Freedom is probably a 10-year-old kid. That's why he doesn't. He's not a member. He's not able to. He doesn't have a credit card. Probably doesn't have a job. Lives with his mum, and he's an idiot. If anyone who talks silly, who says silly things, is an idiot. So Project Freedom, you're an idiot. So you're not welcome. Don't bother coming back. We don't want idiots on our channel. Tesla going down. I'll buy it at 160. Thank you, Reckoning. Yeah, we're here to help people, wrecking, and we don't. I always respond to people. I give them a chance to be nice, but if they don't be nice, we just get rid of them. They can go and hassle somebody else. 9:21. Time to close our show. I think it's. He's just jealous and fed up for working for the man. I've never worked for the man my entire life. I've always worked for myself. Anyway. T.O. Roll, I have a message for Project Freedom. Your salary is the drug that your employer gives you to forget about your dreams. If you continue to wait for the right time, you're going to waste your life and nothing going to happen. Private. There's lots of people here with regular jobs. My wife has a regular job, so I appreciate what you're trying to say. Very nice of you. Anyway, let's do day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date with a commercial break, and then we go do day trader of the day. No, don't apologize. You're being very kind. You're being very kind. I'm just trying to say that a lot of people here have jobs. We're not saying the only way is to be self-employed like me. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Anyway, there's the world premiere for tonight. Hopefully you'll all join me. Well, I hope everybody other than Project Freedom, we don't want him there. But everybody else is welcome. Day trader of the day. Let's bring you all up to date with a quick commercial break. And we'll do day trader of the day. Let's see who wins today. Okay. Nothing wrong with regular jobs. They bring stability. Nothing wrong. Yeah, I've got no stability whatsoever. But I've managed to make it work. I've managed to always pay my bills. You can make it work being self-employed, but nothing wrong with a regular job. If it wasn't for my wife with a regular job, I wouldn't be here today. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that for a fact. Yeah, down 0.79. Says Mohammed. Let's have a look. My overall portfolio. Do you know what? See, it's very. Despite everything, look, I won yesterday, and let's see. If I wait another 10 seconds, I might be in the green. Having said that, I might go down lower. So let me put my score in quick. Down 0.03. There we go. So, let's put a minute on the clock. I'm down 0.03, down 0.79. Please don't waste your time with this kind of people. If they don't like you, they don't need to watch you. They can watch someone else. I agree, but they always watch though. It's weird, isn't it? Just got back in. Lucid at 824. I know. Down 2.77, down 0.57, no bloody idea. Third day triggers down, Mohammed. Me and you are not too different, Martyn. I would be where I am today without my wife and her regular job, although my wife has now started her own private company doing a regular job. I like it. I agree, you can't please everyone. Is anyone else here investing to Virgin Orbit? Yes, down 6%. Says George, down 1. I am winning again. I am the winner again. Yes, I am the winner. That is 2 days in a row. That has never happened. That has never happened. I won yesterday in the morning and the afternoon, and I've won again today. Defensive stocks, I tell you. But balance, there you go. I'm chuffed to bits about that. Thank you for your honest trades, Martyn. You're very, very welcome. Give myself a thumbs up. You're very, very welcome. And give myself the sound effects. It's only bloody luck, innit? It's only luck, anyway. Most of it's luck, innit? Mine don't count, damn it. Yeah, yours don't count because you got too much money. You're too successful. You can't be in our competition. This is for mere mortals. I need some of that VU. Yes, you do. 50% of my portfolio is the S&P 500. You are damn right. You are damn right. It's 42% of my portfolio. It pays a dividend, and remember, hedge funders, experts, the best people in the world compare themselves to the S&P 500. If you wanted to be the most boring investor in the history of the world, you didn't care about being boring, you just want to make money, all you got to do is buy the S&P 500 and wait 10 years and you'll be up. That's all you've got to do. That's all you've got to do. However, it wouldn't make much of a show, would it? If I came in every day and says, I've just bought some more S&P 500. It's the only thing I'm buying. It wouldn't be exciting. It'd be no fun. There'd be nothing to talk about. However, that's what a lot of people do. A lot of people who are, have a 401k, they, like my wife Leah, she's got a regular job, a normal job. It goes in, probably most of it goes into the S&P 500, if I'm honest. Please, Martin, please look at OSHA again. Okay. There we go, 180. Whoa, look at that. It was at 180%. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 6 halt in bloody hell. It was at 180% a minute ago. Incredible. Private says we need a show. What do you mean we need a show? What do you mean we need a show? Got to go. Take care. Thank you ever so much, Wrecking. We are back every day at the same time. We're here all day, every day. And crazy, right? Upcoming live streams. This is the homepage of the YouTube channel. See? We're opening and closing bell, same time every day. So check us out. Thank you ever so much for being part of our first day with you. Great, we've loved it. Bia says Neptunian. Every time I add money to my account, I put 50% into VU and the NASDAQ. Then 50% Martin tells me where to put it. Bloody hell, Shad. Don't do that. Don't do that whatever you do. That's not the way to do it. Yeah, I come on here every day and, I put it where Martyn Lucas says. This guy on YouTube. You said if we would invest in S&P 500, then it wouldn't be a show. Oh, yes. And I said, we need a show. There you go. Dave Mottram is here. Dave Mottram, you've missed the drama this morning. Oh, Dave, we had some drama. This morning. Everyone's liking Shad's comment this morning. I like it as well. I think it's brilliant. 247. Look at that. It's halted again. Wow. All right. Virgin Galactic's now down, trying to come back up again. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Lucid. Doesn't look like I'm going to get my money out. I've got to be honest, guys. I don't think we're going to get much of a bounce now. Remember, the only thing that bounced the stock up is when it had the news, which was proved not to necessarily be true. On the call, they didn't deny it. They simply wouldn't add any colour to it. So there you go. Anyway, we've had 204 through the stream, 6,527 subscribers. Very nice indeed. So I think it's time to end the show. 37 likes, 43 watching. We didn't get any super chats today. Never mind. I wanted to do my super chat screen. Wasn't able to. Andrew Grady, one of our medical staff. Let's have some love for Andrew Grady. Works in the hospital service. In case Project Freedom comments, it was a joke. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just be careful. What drama, dummies? Nirmal, N7 plane flying around Mojave. It was tailing VMS Eve last week. Oh, let's have a look. Yep, what have we got here? Aha! Thank you very much indeed. Nimal, I just can't verify your information as you're not a member. Can anybody else confirm that information? I am looking at the flight, but can anyone confirm, with the greatest respect, Nirmal, we don't know who you are, right? You must understand we do get, bots and all kinds of people watch our show. people like Project Freedom, idiots like that. It's very important to check that everyone is verified, so we know that they are real. Okay. Can anyone confirm to me that this plane here was following VSS Unity last week? I don't know about that. This is what Nirmal Palmer says. N779 Art plane flying around Mojave. It was outtailing VMS Eve last week. So is VMS Eve about to come out of the hangar? I don't know. I can't verify the information. Quick look at before the end. Coin market cap. Quick look at this before you end. Let's have a look. What have you got for me, Ali Tizro? What have you got for me? Let me have a look. Coin market cap. What is it you want me to share? What is this? What are we saying about this? Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. I've got it on the screen. What do you want me to say about it? Project Freedom turns out he has no freedom after all. That's funny. Nermo, join the family. Private, I follow gainers and news with volume. Ed Nevius, geez, Martin, on flight radar these days. I know. We're always on flight radar. I'm on every bloody thing. It's okay. You can keep on slamming for not being a member. I'll keep posting. Bloody hell. I'm just telling you, we can't verify you, okay? I'm trying to be really honest and straight. You have no loyalty towards your fans, especially the one to tell you the truth continuously. All right, you have no loyalty towards your fans. You're not a fan of mine, Project Freedom. You just come on and say rude things. You come on and tell me I talk too much. You tell me you just all the time say rude things. You're not a fan at all. I'm loyal to my members and I'm loyal to my fans because I go live 10 hours a day. How much more committed can you be to anyone than that? Anyway, Vorb dropping new low again. Type in base protocol top right. Base protocol top right. I can't see here what you're saying to me. I'm looking at the page on search bar. Type in base protocol. You want me to just search base protocol? Okay. Base protocol. Okay. Okay, I've done it. There you go, Ali. There's base protocol. This is what we were talking about this morning. It's up 184%. If you see some of the pics of Eve flying last night, I think the pics or videos were taken in the aircraft, as this was the only plane in its vicinity of the flight. Project Freedom just wants attention. He is a fan, that's why he's here. Links for YouTube. Thank you very much indeed. It's not related. I'm not sure what this is. Anyway, I'll come back to that. Should have been quicker with my news. We could have bought. Sorry. No worries at all. No worries at all. Would have been great, wouldn't it? Should have been quicker with my news. Yes, it's your fault. Ali Tizro, it's your fault I've made no money this morning. I blame you. Anyway, we're flat right now on the overall portfolio. Thank you very much indeed. Shad has sent me in some information via Discord. links for YouTube. Thank you ever so much, Shad. Let's have a little look. We can have a look. It looks like this flight, which is N779R, does fly most days. There is the flight information sent in from, looks like it flies most days. Might not be related. There we go. Exactly. This is exactly why, folks, I go from my members, because this is the sort of information we need. We've got Nirmal Palmer has just made the statement, and I said our channel is about being honest and verified, and we don't just make stuff up, and people like to do that. All right, people like to pump a stock all the time, whereas our members, Shad, who's a moderator and a member of our channel, has sent in via Discord this information, and it shows that the craft N779R flies most days, even when VSS Unity isn't flying. So it's not necessarily related. That's why it's important to verify information. We can all say stuff and hopery and drama and get everyone to react and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, that's what our members are for. So thank you very much indeed, Shad, for sending that in. I'm not going to be getting excited thinking VSS Unity is coming out just because there's a crop sprayer flying around. It could very well be. Who knows? 7-fold. Wow, 323. Oh my gosh. Should we all buy it? No, you should never buy this. We at 180%. We were talking about this, and it still keeps going up. It keeps being halted. Incredible scenes today for Ocean Biomedical. Incredible scenes, right? I'm gonna put this one out. Actually, I'm gonna make a video on this one. I think. What is the time right now? 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. I've been going live 2 hours now. 2 hours. Ocean. Okay, it's been halted for the 7th time. Ed's getting the next round in. Yeah, yeah, he is. Let's have a little look. Ocean. Let's have a search for this. Ocean. What is the ticker? OCEA. OCEA. Okay. Let's bring it on the screen. Okay. So let's go over to this. Watch it crash as he starts the video. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you watch. Happens every time. Every time. Okay, here we go. So, probably, yeah. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Ocean Biomedical, ticker symbol OCEA. Every morning, pre-market, and look at it, we're just saying it's going to drop the moment I talk about it. Every morning, pre-market in our Discord channel, look below the description of this video, and you'll find the links to our Discord. Ed Nevius has his own channel. He's one of our members here. It's a verified user, and he has his own channel, and he likes to share his tips. And I will tell you that he's 80% spot on. He makes some very, very quick scalp trades. They all tend to be in this field, the biomedical field, if you like. However, this is not financial advice. This is just what he's doing with his real money, and we follow it, and very often we take part. I don't often get the chance to take advantage of it because I'm presenting the show and so on, but my members do on Discord. So look below. However, it's always worth noting that these are very risky stocks. This one this morning has been halted 7 times. Ed Nevius just wanted to make the point right now on the screen. I'm not always right. It's very important to say that I've watched his trade, and he's right more than he's wrong. He's in fact 80%. But He could be a lot. If you followed him directly, you could be wrong 100% of the time, because it's all about when you get in and when you get out. Timing is everything. There's no point going, this was an Ed Nevius tips. You buy it and you sit and you think it's going to run forever. It's very, very important to do your own research. It's very, very important to note that these are very risky stocks. They are scalp stocks. They're designed to be in and out. And you need to set your stop trail loss. Remember, that does not work in the after hours or pre-market. Stop trail losses only work in the actual live hours of the market. So don't think if you set it after hours, you could find tomorrow morning, the following morning, it crashes down and you'll be out of the money big time. But anyway, this was one of Ed Nevius' tips. And a few moments ago, we were looking at it before it was halted again, and it was around 180%. We're now at 323%. Incredible trade. So if you want to get any of these tips, look below the video and go to our Discord channel. And every morning, Ed posts these tips. But again, this is not financial advice. You need to do your own research. And if you do take any of these sort of tips, do set your losses and your sales. I would recommend. There it goes again. 388. It's running again. It's it's not halted. It's open again. Let's see how far it goes now. So if you are in this stock, and whatever you do, I wouldn't buy this now. There's no way you buy a stock that's pumped 388%. It's due a drop. It will drop eventually. However, if I jumped in right now, and I could do that, it's halted 7 times. It's trending upwards. If I jumped in right now, purely for the fun of it, I could buy $100 of this stock right now. And what I would do is I would set myself a stop trail loss with 5 cents drop, something like a 1% drop straight away. And that way, if it drops, I'm out. I'm not risking it, okay? Because it could drop 300% in a second, okay? It could do that. And at some point today, it probably will. So there you go. Ocean Biomedical. What do you think of this? Is this exciting? Is this gambling? Is this investing? What do you think? You've got to have your strategies worked out. You've got to have your discipline and not get carried away. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thing here. One of my silly faces. Okay. There we go. Let's read some of these comments. Can you find some stocks that are on eToro for us guys outside the USA that aren't on Robinhood? Yes, I'm sure. That's one of the frustrating things, isn't it? Good morning. What did I miss? The Church of Logic is here. Lovely to see Google Weeble's biggest losers list. I look at it in the pre-market for gap trades, Eric B. Be careful. Scalp trading people. I wish I had penalties. People, I had wash penalties and couldn't claim all my losses, says the Church of Logic. Is this stock issued today? Said Mohammed. No. It was issued November 21. Let me share that. I've just changed the screen. November 21. So no. It looks like it was a SPAC. Look, $10. Always a telltale sign. SPAC, look, went along sideways, not doing much, dropped all the way back down to 3, and then boom. Very, very interesting, that one. Anyway, we'll look into it, Dave. Thank you, Ed. Play put options, it's coming down. Calls, remember, is options going up. Puts is options going down. We talked about that earlier. Information regarding Ocean Biomedical. Thank you so much indeed. Private. Send it on Discord. The merger is expected to bring the benefits of Ocean Biomedical's innovative medical devices to the public market. Cheers, Ed. Nermal says it does fly most days, but I actually have a screenshot of N779 flying with it. With all your respect, I'll stop posting in here as you're doing is trying to talk me down for not being a member. Not doing that at all. Sorry if you misunderstood me. I simply repeat everything because people come in and out. Nermal, it's very important. people coming in and out of my show. I don't know when you're watching. And it's very important for a YouTuber because people are in and out all the time to repeat the information. So people come in and then they've never been here before. Many people come in and out in seconds. So when I see someone post a link that's not a member, I simply say members aren't verified to protect my audience and also to explain how you can become a member and the benefits of it. I'm sorry if you misunderstood me. I'm not trying to get you to be a member. It makes no difference to me at all. It doesn't. You know, I'm very grateful for you watching our channel. I'm here to help you, and I'm here to protect my audience. So I apologize if you don't understand, if I came across in a way that you think I'm just trying to talk you into being a member. People join all the time. 95%, I don't have to talk you into being a member. It doesn't matter to me whether you're a member or not. I appreciate my members, but if you don't want to be, that's fine. I'm just trying to say how you can verify your information and let everybody know what's going on. Fed Bostic speaks in 5 minutes. Had cancer news, said Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius, what is your Discord name? It's on our channel, George. It's on our channel. You are a member. You can see it. Let me go over now and I'll show you, George. You are a member of our channel. So, George, you can already see it. This is it. Let me share with you. Look, this is Discord. This is where you are right now. And look, down here on the side, Ed Nevius' tips. See, look, Ed Nevius' tips. Sorry I can't zoom in. Normally I can, but right now it's not letting me zoom in. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Ed Nevius' tips. Try that again. Okay. Right. Ed Nevius' tips. There you go. So you can see it right there. Ed Nevius' tips. All right. I got you. Fantastic. Content from members are more likely to be researched and safer for Martyn to talk about on the live show. That's it. How are you, Ed? There we go. 452% now. It's running and running and running. Who's buying it? Who's buying it? Seriously. How much money would you make? Seriously. You could market turning south 22. Trust me, no, Martyn does appreciate everyone who is here, member or not. Thank you, Shad. I don't know if he's here. Let's see if he's still here. I don't know if he's listening now. Anyway. Oh, he's still here. Yep, he's still here. Okay, maybe he saw that. That's why trailing stops are amazing. Indeed. Best thing to do. This is phenomenal. It's like in a minute I'm going to buy it and going, oh my God, I am good. The church, how are you? Play puts in like 30 minutes. Logic, what do you reckon of this? Have you ever seen anything like it? 452%. We've seen this happen before. That Martyn, I will cash out you 100 to buy Ocean and put a stop loss on it. Dave, I will do it. You want to do that? You want to do that? And let me just check it. We might have Dave Mottram wants me, Martyn, I will cash out you 100 to put a stop loss on it. We've got Dave Mottram saying here. Okay, I will do it. Martyn, let us know when you're about to buy so Ed can get back out. This one is not optional. I want the profits back. Oh, okay. I can't do that because that would be money laundering. I'm terribly sorry about that. I can't do that. I'm not allowed to do that. Clearly, I want to state what has just been said there. I am not allowed to take money from somebody else to buy a stock and then return them the profit. That is not allowed on my channel or any way whatsoever. If someone donates to me to buy a stock, and that's fine. It's my money. I can buy it, and so on and so forth. But someone can't say to me, "Can you buy a stock and then give me the money back?" That is money laundering, and we don't do that on this show. No way, no how. So that breaks SEC regulations. It breaks every rule in the book. Go to prison for that. So let's be absolutely clear on that one. Okay, I'm not going to... I've tried to explain to Nirmal. He doesn't want to listen to me. That's fine. I respect that. If anybody else would like to talk on my behalf, I would appreciate it. But it doesn't seem to me that Nirmal wants to take my point, and that's fine. He's entitled to his opinion. I'm sorry if you got the wrong opinion of me, but I'm here to help people. All I do is help people. That's what this channel is about. You've not been here long enough to realise that we've done many fundraisers to help people around the world. We've supported people during death, loss, illness, everything. I'm always live. I'm always answering everything. I'm talking to you. This is my show, and I've spent half my show talking to you. I'm sorry that if you don't understand me, that's fine. Not everyone understands everyone. Not everyone gets everyone. And I apologise if I've not been able to convey my sentiments to you clearly enough. But clearly I haven't. I failed in that, and that's fine. I accept that. J&J is going sideways now. 10 o'clock. Sorry you see it that way. Glad to have you here in whatever capacity, and always happy to help verify any news if I am here. There you go. Shad will verify your news. Thank you for being so kind. I appreciate that, Nirmal. I appreciate that, but you have to understand from our point of view, we get people come in every day, say stuff that's completely untrue. They're not even they're not even real people. They're bots. They're scammers. We have no idea who you are. That's all I'm saying. It's I don't go live 10 hours a day to get $2 a month from you. That is not what I do. Anyway, let's move on from that now. Canoe is down 10% today. Gove collapsing. Completely collapsing now. Apple. Lucid down 17%. Ah, dear, oh dear. I'm down 10% now on this. The only way is so let me do a poll. Let me do a poll here. Lucid, I bought last night when it dropped 10%. It's dropped another 10%. Should I double down on Lucid? Okay. Yes or no? Should I double down on Lucid? This is how I made my money last time. However, let's remember, it only went up by 140% because of fake news. It was fake news. And last night in the earnings, they didn't talk about it. They were asked about it, and they said, we've got no comment on it. No comment about the takeover, the buyout. No comment at all. So it is a bit of a concern. It is a bit of a concern. However, the only way to make money is if you've bought a stock because you believe it can go up. When it goes down 10% like this, you can double down. So basically, I am down 10%. If I spend another $400, I will only be down 5%. I will improve my position dramatically for when it turns around, if it turns around. Now, there's no question the Lucid car is better. It's better than a Tesla. It outperforms the Tesla. The Model Plaid as well. It's a phenomenal car. However, my only concern is they've got a year of burn rate, so we know they've got enough money for a year. My only concern, however, is that they've got quite a bit of inventory that they've not been able to sell. I would much rather they've started ramping up, but they've got quite a few cars unsold. Church of Logic, if you're willing to wait it out, I am certainly willing to wait it out. The product may be better, but the business isn't. I agree. That's the trouble. I bought Lucid last night. I just doubled down, and I'm only 20 shares now. It's one of those things you think, okay, yes, even do a few scalp trades. Scalps bring price down, says Crag. But if you're willing to wait it out, Church likes it if you're willing to wait it out. I'm starting to see them on the road more now. Church of Logic. There is a Lucid in every state of the United States. In every state there is now at least one Lucid. I also want to be transparent. Had a losing streak 4 in a row. I'm in back testing mode, Ed Nevius said. I bought Lucid. I doubled down. I got some more at 8.49 and have an order for 8. Hello, amigos. The current economy, there is no way they can convince me people will buy their car. Their car is extremely there we go. Ocean is now going down. There you go. It's first drop. There you go. There you go. It's going down quick now. Set a limit buy. It could drop more. That's what the stop trail loss is for. So, Lucid. Pullback, yep. It depends. How do you see Lucid? As a long-term investment or as a short-term scalp trade? This is the time to buy it. However, we've been a lot lower. But remember, guys, it beat on earnings. It missed on revenue, but it beat on earnings per share. EPS, it beat on that. It has gone as low as 625. Kidder Cars, it's a long-term investment. But we've only got a year of burn rate, remember. It's not going to run forever unless they start selling those cars. And with inflation continually going up, can anyone afford it? It's a very expensive car, like 90 grand a car. It's just too expensive, but at least we know it's a good product. So in the future, it could be great, but no rush to invest, in my opinion. Long term, says Kidder Kazi, I apologise. 8.16. So you could end up very, very quickly having a huge position. Let's say I spend $400 now and I'm down 5%. And then I thought, Saudi is going to pump in more money, says Kidder Kazi. It can drop to 5 easy after last night. Before the rumour, it was hovering around 8, so I don't see it going below that. How you make the sell order buy. George, what do you mean? A stop trail order you're talking about on Ocean. This is what you do. If I had stocks, if I had a position here, this is what I would do. I would go sell a trading stop order. That's what I would do, and I would set like a 1% drop or something like that, and then that's how I would set it up. So it could only drop by 1%, and then it would sell. And the idea is a stop trail is it will keep going up all the time. Private says, looks like there's support around 617. Indeed. But a long way down, though. Lucid i9's great, but right now it's risky, like any other EV maker. Pete Barker, due to the current weather conditions in Mojave, do you think Eve will do another test flight this week? My alert is set on flight radar. If when Eve comes out of the hangar. I'm looking at it all the time. I kind of live on it, I think. This is my full-time job. Let's have a little look. What have we got here in the desert? We've got another plane out on the tarmac. We've seen that one before. There we go. Let me share with you on the screen. I forgot how to do it for a minute. My brain's gone. There we go. There we go. We've got a plane out on the tarmac right outside the hangar. Let's get your money ready for New Mexico. Yeah, need to make some money. I would put a limit order of $7 and forget about the stock. Well, it's so we're watching hello, something else popped out of the hangar. Got a bit of action here. No call sign. Well, what's this one here? No information on that one. A lot of these sort of small tracking planes, so it could look like something's about to happen. The weather is good. So, anyway, you can put a support higher also around 8. How much is your position of Lucid? It's a very small position. I bought it last night when it dropped 10%. And I'm down another 10%. I've only got 51. So I could double up and be down 5%. You already had a nibble, so don't rush into buying more and more. If it pumps, you're in it already. I absolutely agree. It's a very risky stock right now, and I don't want to unbalance my portfolio. But right now, we are in a good place. My portfolio is down just very slightly right now. If I start dumping money like that, then we could be in all kinds of bother if it goes lower, and then suddenly my portfolio is in all kinds of bother. We don't want that. Virgin Orbit. 142, new all-time lows for Virgin Orbit. That's getting too cheap now. Rivian, Tesla, all EVs, Lucid. Our first little uptick of the morning. Look, something happening now. Apple. We're getting a rebound. Everything's coming back. Coca-Cola up on the day. Still down on J&J. Google, Microsoft, Walmart. Have you the stock will crash in mid? Have you heard that the stock market will crash in mid-March? That could well be the case. Could well be the case. And if it does, by then I'll have more money and I'll buy the lower prices. A lot of people are saying that. Again, it's only a best guess. But yeah, I've heard that. Enphase, down 11%. Next Era Energy. My overall portfolio is down. We're trying to come back though. Well, it's down 17% today. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm down 10. So, like you say, like Shad says, if it does bounce back, I'm in the money, right? It could give me a return without having to go lower. Of course, if I double down, then my position will be 5% down. I'll only have to have a 5% swing and I'll be in the money. Next, interest rate hike, 0.5. Yes, I've heard that. And that's not good for buying a Lucid. It's very, very, very expensive. So maybe, oh, hang on a minute. Our flight has disappeared over the Mojave Desert. It's disappeared. Its transponder's been turned off. Nothing going on there right now. I think I will take a short break. We're sticking with you. We've got a good audience. People are... let's have a look. Should I double down on Lucid? Yes or no? It's 52% says no. Okay. Let me ask you another question then. Start a poll. Would you like an extended... we can carry on because we are expecting a flight perhaps today with Virgin Galactic. Extended. Would you like an extended show? Okay. So, yes or no. Okay. Ask the community. Okay. What's the alternative sell for a loss? I could sell for a loss, but that's why it was only a small position. I can afford to lose $400. Of course, yes. What a question, Mohammed. That's very, 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 very kind of you. Very, very kind of you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go now into a members only stream. We're always trying to deliver more to our members. 90 grand a car. Okay. So if you've just tuned in, thank you very much for watching Lucid go down. How much lower can it go? I've seen this happen before. You jump in now and go, all right, I'll buy another $400. I'll halve my position. Yes. How many have we got? 41 watching. How many votes have we got right now? 14 votes, 86% okay. All right, so we're going to move over now. And we're going to make it a members-only live chat. So one of the exclusive benefits for members, customization. Here we go. Members only. So thank you very much, everyone who's tuned in today. We're now going to members-only live chat. It's part of our members' perks that we do... exclusive content, exclusive chats, exclusive videos, and so on and so forth. So sorry if you're not a member. You can still watch. You just can't chat in the live chat. It's to honor our members. It's one of their perks that they get as members. So we're going to go do that now. Here we go. Pete Barker giving us a wave. Thank you, Pete. Short-term bearish, it says. Now then, I will share with you our Virgin Galactic position. We're going to add a new screen soon. We're going to add a new screen. This is my text screen. We've got a 1 minute. We're going to add a 15 minute. Okay, this is the 1 minute. The 1 minute is saying it's a sell. Virgin Galactic is a sell. 15 analysts say sell, 6 neutral, and 5 buy. We are in the process of adding a 15-minute or a day one as well. So you can compare, because it's regarded that the longer time frame is more useful. So, but we're going to have both on the screen so you can get an idea. So, to give you an idea to compare the two. All right? Anyway. Let me just delete this a minute. Okay. Now then, I've got this new screen I want to use because Where did I put that one? It's overlays, I think it is. Okay. Okay. Looking at Virgin Galactic, we're expecting a possible flight today. We don't know, but we are down. Lucid, we're also looking at Lucid. Still going down, so it's a good job I didn't buy it when we talked about it. George wants to know how you do a limit order, a stop trail loss. Okay, so let me show you again. My first members only live. There you go. You're very welcome. So this is how we do it. If I was going to sell Lucid now, okay, so you're watching on the screen. This is for the benefit of George. Sell. I go into here, a trailing stop order. So, in other words, what it does is wherever I set it, it'll keep going up. As the price goes up, the trail order will go up with it. So let's say I set it to a percentage. I can also do it to an amount, right? An amount or percentage. Let's say I go 1%, 1%, and let's say I want to sell one share. So now I can click review the order, and it will sell that one share when it drops 1%. If it then goes up 10%, it's got to drop now down to 9%. See, it'll keep going up. Yeah, you have to buy first. You can't sell a stock you don't own. Yeah, George, you have to buy something first. If you can't sell a stop trail order unless you buy it. Yeah. Yeah, you can't sell what you don't have. Yeah, that wouldn't work at all. That definitely wouldn't work. Anyway, you got it now. Good. Okay, so I'm going to take a 5-minute break. Not at all. Please don't apologize. All right, I'll see you back in just a couple of moments' time. We'll take a very, very short break. I need to go for a restroom break, but we are sticking with you because there could be some information on Virgin Galactic. So we'll just take a short break and see you back in a moment or two. Here we go. Okay, so I'll see you back in a couple of moments' time. All right, take a short break. Okay, we're back. Thank you very much indeed. Now then, this is a members only. Let's all give Martyn a tip. He's earning it. Thank you very much, Eric B. This is a members only stream now, so we're going to do a little bit of housework. We've got the Church of Logic. We need to create my channel on Discord so I can help people like George. Yes, you can. Church of Logic, are you still here? Let's do it for you right now. Let me just make sure that you are here. And I'll do it for you live on the show. This is a members only show, so we can do it. Are you here? And we'll do it for you live on the show. It looks like I've just got a super chat. It's very, very kind. Let's celebrate. I like my little celebrate screen. I've not had a chance to do it all day today. So let's do my celebrate screen. Oh, hang on. I got another one. This is nice. Not had super chats for ages. Hey, let's do a celebration. Okay, here we go. Let's do a celebration now. So we'll go. You ready? Let's celebrate a super chat. Boom. Way. This is from Eric B, who's give me a $2 super chat this morning. Thank you ever so much indeed. Let's all give Mike a tip. He's earning it. Thank you very much indeed. And I think I just had another one come in from Shad Stream with his little cat. It's my first to I love it. Is my first to I love it. George Otterty. Yeah, members only. It's nice, right? Shad just donated. Should we do another one? Another one? Boom! There you go. Thank you very much indeed. This is our new screen. I hope you like it. It's a lot of fun, that. There you go. Brilliant. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. Now then, because it's a members only stream, we can do a few bits of housework. So let's go over now to Church. Is Church still here? Churchy, come back. The Church at Logic. I need you here, Church. Come back. There we go. When he comes back in, we'll look at doing his Discord channel. We'll do it live on the show. Any housework we can do during these members only is when we do all that stuff. Awesome. Okay. When he comes back, we will take care of that. The overall portfolio is going down. We are at the moment now. Let's have a look at this. We're getting quite a drop across the board. We made it up yesterday, but we're losing it again right now. 0.85. Where are the losses coming from? Ocean Biomedical. So we're done with that one now. You should be out of that now. It made a great profit. You should be out of it though. I'm here. Right, Church. We want to do your Discord channel. So let's go into Discord for you. You are a silver member, right? Can you just confirm? And I've just got to do some housework here a minute. Let me just check. Let me just check. You've got to be a silver member for this perk. You can have your own channel. So I'm just checking. If you say you are, that's fine, because I trust you anyway. So if you tell me you are, that's fine. But here we go. Memberships, and the Church of Trades. Oh, I like it. The Church of Trades. Total members. I like it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Here we go. Let's have a look. So, filter, current level, silver. Let me just check. Church of Logic. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, he is. Okay. There you go. This is our full list of members. Look, this is our silver member. Church of Logic is silver. There you go. He's been a member now for six months. There's the Church of Logic. So as a silver member, he's allowed a 20-minute fundraiser as well, or a 20-minute concert to celebrate a wedding or a birthday or some special event. So we can do this now for the church. Okay, so let's go into here and we'll create a new channel. So here we go. We'll do it live on the screen for you. YouTube members. Create a channel. What do you want it called? I'll do that one. What do you want it called? Trades of Logic? I'll do that one. Is that what you want it called? Like the name church. Trades of Logic. Trades of Logic. Okay. So this is Trades of Logic. This is church's channel. It's a private channel. It's members only. Okay. So we won't get idiots being in there. Okay. Private channel next. It's for members. Okay. And let me just put it in position. It needs to be, it's a support channel. So it'll go up here. Ali Tizro's tips, Ed Nevis's tips. It'll be, there we go. It'll be a support channel there. There you go. Now, if we can, if you can all go and test it. Actually, I'm going to make it an announcement channel. Age restrict an announcement channel. There we go. Better. Save. If anyone wants to go in there now and test it, I want you to permissions. View, manage permissions, members, create invites, send messages. Okay, talk to the clients on there now as a talk to clients on there now as a job. I can do Discord at work. Yeah, it's your new job. So if someone could go into the church Trades of Logic, this is I bet we're going to get lots of information about Ford in here. Right. So I want to see if you can leave a comment and post a picture. That's the two things we want to see if you can do. Okay, so there we go. Shad, hello. Welcome, everyone. And I will post updates about this channel. There you go. And you can share with your followers. And if you can go in there and do an image. Do an image. If someone can post an image so we know that you can share images. Anyway, that'll be good. There you go. Ooh, is that your car? He's put. I knew it would start with a bloody. I knew it would start with a Ford. Church's Trade Confessional. There you go. There you go. Anybody else if anyone else is a silver member, you too can have your own channel. So let me know if you want your own channel. You can have that. It's absolutely wonderful. Really, really great. I knew it, but we all knew. We all knew his bloody car. Look at that. It's nice though, isn't it? Is that where you live, church? Is that your garage? That's nice. I like that. I like that. Look at that. Is this where you live? Nice bit of fields. Is that your garage? Is that your car? Oh, look at him, look. Oh, the neighbour's. That's the neighbour's car in the neighbour's garage. So it's not your car. Oh, bloody hell. I was getting all excited then for a minute. There he is. Shad's popped in. There, look at Shad, look. Shad's here. Yeah. Just to bring the mood down a little bit. Not doing that well yet. Yeah, I was going to say, it's a very nice car. There's Shad, look. Just popped in to say, welcome. Welcome to the Church of Logic's very own channel. Look at that. It's called Trades of Logic. Wonderful stuff. There you go. Now then, let's have a little look. The overall portfolio still going down. SPCE, our first bounce of the morning. Let's go and check the Mojave Desert. Nothing happening on the tracker. Nothing out of the hangar. Nothing going on. We're getting quite a drop today. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla. I'm going to end my stream on TikTok right now. Everyone on TikTok, come and join me on YouTube. Bye-bye for now. I did that for a reason, because I'm expecting a phone call from the bank. So let me just move this a minute. I get a phone call from the bank. I just might have to go. Anyway. Not doing that well yet. Be right back, mates. Nice church. Yeah, very good. Tesla. Lucid. Lucid. Going sideways. I'm glad I didn't buy it. We were nearly bought it. Nearly bought it at 8.44, 8.20. Now it's 8.15, 8.16. Ugh. Patience. But we don't know how low it's going to go. No one does. We don't even know if it's going to survive, do we now? I think it's a concern. I do. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. Google. Oh, Google now presenting an opportunity. This is on my watch list. Google is going down now. I'm only 1% up. This is the time to start adding my position to Google. It's one that is underweighted on my portfolio. I would like to get some Google. I'll tell you what I'm going to do as well right now is I'm going to make some videos during this time so I can maximize the efficiency of the channel and everything else. So 2 hours 54. 2 hour 54. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. 2 hours 54. Markets. Okay. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. My portfolio is very defensive, very safe. So when you see my portfolio go down, that tells you something in the overall markets is going amiss. We're down today nearly 1%, in fact 0.85. It's pretty good. We're okay. However, with the Fed minutes yesterday and the now chance of a 0.5 rate hike at the next FOMC meeting, the markets are preparing for potentially what could be another downturn. We've got a bit of retracement going on now. We had a really good bounce at the beginning of the year, one of the best starts to a year for a long time. And we're now getting a retracement. We are pulling back. It could go a lot lower. So I've been buying defensive stocks. This is my overall position right now. It's down today. Bit of a concern if we look at my overall portfolio. It is going down. It is a concern. I do think that I know we're in a bear market rally. I know that for a fact. It is a concern, though, that we could go a lot lower before we go higher. There could be several more months of downturn. So be prepared for that. It could be a very difficult time for everyone concerned. My portfolio could go a lot lower. So be very, very careful. Just a little warning. I think the markets have plenty left to go down yet. So for me, it's defensive stocks, J&J, dividends, Coca-Cola. Trying now to get some more Google. That's dropped. And if you want to check that video out, go and check up here. I'm about to make a video on Google on my position there as well. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's do a quick ticker there. Thumbnail, I mean. Concerned face. Okay. I then want to go on to Virgin Galactic. SPCE. SPCE. This is a members only stream right now. We're making some videos in the after hours. We're keeping the community together. That's what we're doing here right now. This is how I make my videos for later. This is how I earn my living. This is how I make my money. Okay. So Virgin Galactic SPCE stock. The weather is good over the Mojave Desert. We are watching and keeping our eye this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are at the spaceport. There is no news yet, but if we was going to get a flight, today is a good day. The weather is good, I believe, over the desert. We did have a little bit of interest earlier, a couple of planes that often follow, allegedly, we can't verify that information, allegedly VSS Unity when she flies, and we was expecting perhaps today for a flight. So, as of yet, nothing. The stock is down today, but I'm not concerned about the stock price today. It's the overall markets. We are preparing for a 0.5 rate hike. That's not good for any stock, and it's particularly not good for Virgin Galactic. They don't need borrowing costs to go up. They are burning through their cash. They've only got a year and a half left of revenue of cash if they're not actually bringing in extra money. So we have to be very careful there. I've always said that I think Virgin Galactic is going to go lower. Please do smash the like button if you want to be help this video. We've got the earnings coming up as well. So click up here for the earnings. And we've also got the Virgin Galactic single coming out as well. So what do you think? Is Virgin Galactic coming into land? Or is it going to take off today? What do you think? Is there some more downside to Virgin Galactic? I think so, short term. I'm often criticised for saying, why are you waiting for such low prices to buy in? Well, that's the reality of where we are right now. We are in a bear market rally. We could see another market crash later in the year. I've said at very best late spring and summer before we could get any possible sign of a bull market. There's still more pain to come. So Virgin Galactic, it's one of my top stocks, but it's a very speculative stock right now in the current climate. It's worth mentioning that it could go lower before it goes higher. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Virgin Galactic, there we go. My investing year was good until 3 days ago. Yes, most people are in that same situation. Virgin Orbit, this is worth talking about as well. We're now all-time lows. Virgin Orbit. Vorb. Virgin Orbit. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Orbit now all-time lows. This is a concern. I've been to the spaceport in the spaceport Cornwall in the UK. Click up there. That'll take you to the full list of my Virgin Orbit playlist. I've got a very small position here in my brokerage account, but I've got a much bigger position in my Roth IRA. I see it as a long-term investment. However, it's great buying a stock when it gets cheap, but if it gets too cheap, it can very quickly run out of money. Remember, if its stock price is too cheap, it can't raise money. And we know that Virgin Orbit is looking to raise money, as is Virgin Galactic. So right now, Virgin Orbit is getting a little bit too low. It doesn't want to raise money at this level. That would be a bad idea for the stock. But we don't expect, if you remember, after the disastrous test flight last time that went wrong, they said very quickly indeed, that there would be a flight very soon. I think that was very optimistic. I think it was more to do with getting people to not sell out the stock and buy in. Perhaps it was to kind of boost the stock. Public companies particularly, will do that to try to bring some interest. However, they've got some new contracts. There's money coming in. We haven't got any news on Virgin Orbit. I am looking at it every day. When I get some information, I'll bring it to you. I'd love to tell you more right now, but I've added to my position. I'm not looking to buy any more, and I am getting concerned if it goes much lower that we go into the danger territory. Virgin Orbit, it's down today. Primarily, the overall markets are down because we're expecting a 0.5 rate hike, and that is not good for companies who need to raise capital, who need to borrow money. And of course, as well, it's not good for the companies that want to invest with them and pay for their services as well. Everyone's going to struggle. Virgin Orbit, what's your position? Leave your thoughts below. Smash the like button. And join me for Virgin Galactic's earnings coming up here next week. And we're going to be there also with the Virgin Galactic song as well. Join us for that. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Virgin Orbit. There we go. There's a thumbnail for that one. I put in your picture, Martyn. Martyn Trades of Logic. Oh, I put in your picture, Martyn Trades of Logic. What was that? Let's have a look. What have you done? Where'd you find that? Very good. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's the best picture you've ever seen. Look at that. There you go. Stephen Lewandowski found this. He's done a bit of Photoshop, look, and put me in that. I think that's brilliant. There you go. Brilliant. Doing one of my broadcasts. I like that. Nice one. I was wondering what you were saying then for a minute. I sold my shares for a profit. I'm waiting to go down, buy more Virgin Galactic. There is a flight coming up in California to be announced. There is a flight coming up in California to be announced. Keep me updated, Crag. Send it into Discord. Let's move on in. Rivian, Tesla. Tesla. Okay, here we go. Tesla. Okay. Breaking news here with Tesla. My buy to get back in to Tesla, remember I'm holding shares anyway in my Roth at 110, but in my main brokerage, I'm looking to buy back in at 160. With interest rates going up potentially to 0.5, that's really the opposite of what we wanted to see. Tesla, who's needing to raise funds, and Elon Musk needing to sell to buy off Twitter. We know that's coming, even though he said it won't. He's lied 3 times before. Tesla will go down, in my opinion. I think it's overpriced. In fact, it's something like $250,000 a car is where we are right now, the valuation of Tesla. Insane. It's great to be optimistic about a company. However, we've got to sort of, think about the real value. The markets are going down because we are looking at rate hikes going up to 0.5. This is not good for Tesla or any other company, and it's certainly not good for the customers that want to buy a Tesla. And last night we saw Lucid crash and going down further. And I saw the tweets about Tesla and what they said about Lucid. Remember, Lucid have a better car than a Tesla. They can't, they are now saying ramping up isn't an issue, but they're not yet being able to sell it. I think part of the problem is the cost of the car. The Lucid is very, very expensive, and they lose money on every car they sell. Tesla, however, make money. So Tesla is a great company, but it's overpriced. I'm not prepared to pay $196. I'm not listening to Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood's telling everybody that the stock price is going to, insane amounts. I mean, let's see all the money start stacking up to $1,500 a share. I mean, no one believes that, do they? Did even Cathie Wood believe that? I don't know. It sounds pretty insane to me. But anyway, Tesla, let me know your thoughts. Smash the like button. And as always, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think that this is fair value? I don't think it is. It doesn't make any sense to me at all. It's a great company, but I'm no longer a fan of Elon Musk. I used to be until he lied 3 times and then did what he did on Twitter. If you want to click up there, you'll see Elon Musk's playlist all about his crazy tweets. Anyway, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do that. Let's go Tesla. There we go. That's Tesla. Let's see who's still with me. This is a members-only live stream right now. Let's run a quick commercial break to try to pay for the live streams. Here we go. Do one right now. Stick with us. Okay, moving along from Tesla, Lucid. Oh dear. What can we say about Lucid? Ouch. Right. These videos will come out later. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Lucid, LCID, ticker symbol. Last night we had the earnings. What happened to Lucid last night? Let's go down and have a look. They beat on earnings. That is for the actual earnings per share. They actually beat on earnings last night quite considerably. However, the earnings missed on revenue. They missed on revenue. And in fact, let me just edit this video. I'm in the wrong stock. Tesla, Rivian. Let me do that again. Try that again. Okay. Let's do that again. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Lucid. Lucid earnings last night, it went down 10%, and we've seen another drop today. We're down 18% now. We know that they've got the best car. We know it beats the Plaid, but it's not all about having the faster and faster car. The technology is amazing. They didn't seem to be that interested in licensing the technology yet. They're focused on more of selling the cars, and perhaps that's right, because they do have an inventory of cars sitting around doing nothing. If they can sell those cars, they can bring in a lot of money. They said that ramping up isn't the issue anymore. They was asked about the investment from Saudi Arabia, and they declined to really answer or add any color to that. It was a rumor. They explained it was a rumor, but didn't add anything else. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. Let us know. But the overall markets are preparing for a 0.5 rate hike, which is a concern. So seeing the markets reacting today, in fact, everything is down. So it's not so much of money up today. Like my little screenshot here, it's money going down, and it concerns me because I don't know if the customers are going to be able to afford these cars. If the interest rates keep going up, it makes it impossible, even for wealthy people. Let's have a look at the stock price. Let's see last night what it did. on earnings. It beat earnings, as in revenue was a miss, but the earnings per share was expected to be 40 cents down, and in fact it was 0.28 down, which is great. Moving in the right direction. They're ramping up, they're making more cars, they're selling more cars, but they've got a lot of cars sitting around now not being sold. That is the concern. And when they were asked about that, they said their focus is selling the cars, not selling the technology. They are focused on selling the cars. And I think overall that's right. But their technology is great. But however, is it important? Is it worth, emphasizing that we've got the best car? It's fast enough. I mean, it's even faster than a Tesla Plaid. Sorry. Does that really matter at the end of the day? It's really making an affordable car, I would have thought, would be the most important thing. But what do you think? Are we in a difficult market now? Yes, we are. Leave your comments below and I will answer all your comments. Don't forget, as always, smash the like button as well and leave me your comments. And if you click above my head, it will take you to the full Lucid playlist. And I bought some last night thinking I could get a scalp trade on it, because I am concerned that their burn rate is only a year left and they could be out of money. And this whole investment mystery is a bit of a mystery still. We don't know much about that. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I was considering buying some more this morning, but as of yet, I haven't done that. What do you think? Okay, let me know in the comments below. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. I'm a bit concerned now. There we go. There's my concerned face for the thumbnail. I think we've covered most things. Apple, we don't need to talk about that so much. Amazon is... Amazon. Oh, Amazon. 5% down now. That's the lowest my Amazon has been. That's an all-time low as well. Wow. Coca-Cola... J&J, let's go back here. Google. I'm going to mention Google because this is on my watch list to buy. And I'm going to explain why I think it's a buy as well. There's a flight coming in California to be announced from Crag. Go into the chat. Let me know you're still here. Okay. Final video, and then we'll get off, and then I've got to put all these videos out. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Google, ticker symbol GOOG. This is now on my watch list. I've already got a very small position of Google. I think it's a really, really important part of your portfolio. Always want to own some Google. Wasn't in the position to buy anymore. However, it's going back down now. In fact, I'm only 1.21% up on it. So it's not got much further to go to reach an all-time low for me to buy in. Now, I do believe that Google is one of the best value stocks on the stock market. Like Meta, if we scroll down and look at its PE ratio, let's have a little look at it. 21 times earnings. That's not bad for Google, and I do think it's going to be one of the stocks that will recover quickest. Remember, it makes its money from ad revenue. And when the economy recovers, which obviously now is potentially a 0.5% rate hike, so it could get worse, this stock for me is a buy. Remember, I always buy when everyone else is selling, and I sell when everyone else is buying. I don't want to be buying this when the markets recover, because then the stock price would already have increased. We want to be buying it now. So I like Google at this price. I think Google is a good value at this price. I would like to buy some more. If it continues dipping, I will. However, I have not got any more money right now. I'm fully invested until I get paid next month on YouTube, of course, which is Google, and or at least next Tuesday. I haven't got any more money to invest. But Google for me is a buy. However, we are concerned, and we know why it's going down, because the markets are now preparing for a 0.5% rate hike. So I do think that we've got more down to come. So we might as well have a bit of patience. But These are the sort of companies you want to own, so you don't mind adding to them when they go down to your all-time lows. Even if they go lower, long term, I feel very confident with Google. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Leave your comments below. Smash the like button, and I will answer everyone's comments below in the comments. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Google. Okay, time to go, I think. That's a risky face. Okay, Amazon is a buy too. I agree. Amazon is most certainly a buy at this level. It's very expensive though. Don't get carried away. It's still very expensive. Now, we've had this on Amazon. No one's explained this to me yet, and I'm going to speak to Robinhood about it. But for days, we've seen a price-earnings ratio minus 352. I don't understand what that means. That doesn't make sense. It used to be like 100 times, 80. Now it should be about 80 times, and we've got minus 352. I don't know what that means. It's been like that now for a week. I need to speak to Robinhood and ask them, what is that about? Doesn't make any sense. Anyway, however, it is most certainly a good time to buy Amazon. I don't need to buy any more, though. It's 14% of my portfolio, but definitely happy to hold and own Amazon. It's a growth stock. There's no dividend with it, but anyway. Still here. Thank you, Church. These companies are whales, and nothing can get them so down. Mohammed. Amazon is a buy. Well, I don't know. I wouldn't say nothing is... anything can go down. Afternoon, everyone. What's happened today? Some serious dips. Bargains to be had, says Bootsy. Google, I'm buying at 88, says Stephen Lewandowski. Yes. It's at 90 now, so it's not far away, is it? There you go. Right. I think we're going to have to get off because I've got lots of videos that I've made, or at least got in the can. I need to edit them now. So anyway, the overall portfolio is still dropping. We're down 1% today. We're just basically retracing. I think it's worth mentioning, if we look at the year to date, we're still up 6%. Let's remember, up 6% in just a month, well, 2 months, when you really want to average 15% a year. 6% in the first 2 months is phenomenal. All right, okay. Churchy says take a break. Absolutely right. I've got to edit all these videos. Got lots to do yet. And anyway, that's it for me then. How do we find pinned videos? How do we find pinned videos? What's a pinned video? When in doubt, pan out. Buying oil in March, says Stephen Lewandowski. I've got my CVX, not doing very well so far, but anyway, we'll hold on to it for now. I don't know. How do we find pinned videos? I don't know what a pinned video is. No idea. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Let me roll the credits. We've done Day Trader of the Day. We've already done that. Let me roll the credits. Let me play some music. Let's get out of here. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining in today for this members-only stream. Here we go. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. And the stars of our shows today. Let's have a look. Super chats from Eric B and Shadstream. Thank you ever so much indeed for the tip today. That was very, very kind of you. Appreciate that a lot. Can't thank you enough, to be honest. Super chats, Eric B and Shadstream. Subscribers, Wrecking 1976. And welcome to him as well. There you go. Stars of the show. Thanks to all of you. How do you play a falling wedge on XOP? Flutter edits. I'm out of time. I've got to go. Perhaps you could go into Discord now and ask someone that question. But I'll see you all back in a bit. Look forward to the world premiere tonight. Here's the link. Go and leave a comment right there now and click the bell. Be part of our world premiere tonight. Here it is. Okay. Is it posting? There it is. There's the world premiere. Posted it twice. Good. That's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you very much indeed. Be defensive. Don't be... aren't you glad we're not in margin right now? Blimey. Imagine the stress of it. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.